We are live, Jesse.
Yes. Hi. Welcome back. I can see so many of our regulars. Thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. Thank you all to come back again. I can see Shilpa is here too. Shilpa Bajaj ji. Ritu Gupta ji is here. Wow, wow, good. Great going. Dr. Saab, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. It's a hot topic today. Huh? We have a lot of people.
You'd be surprised what kind of, how obsessed people are with hair. So I was very happy when you told me about a hair topic, because ever since the lockdown has started, I am sick of doing skin related things.
Okay.
In and out. So this is a refreshing change for me to be talking about hair once, because everybody is like कि skin में ये हो गया वो हो गया अभी लोगों को लग रहा है बालों के लिए शायद इतना जरूरी नहीं है when you said कि बाल के बारे में कुछ बोलना है तो I was like wow चलो किसी ने तो सोचा इसके बारे में भी
आज मैं सोच रहा था कि अब जो हालत हो गई है लोगों की एक मास्क पहन के घूमते तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है सर पे बाल है या नहीं है किसी की शक्ल तो दिखने वाली है नहीं
अरे मुझे लगता है कि अभी उसमें नया फैशन स्टेटमेंट आएगा ना किसका मास्क में कितना हीरा जड़ा है
तो बाल will be the पहचान the identity
yes of course so they'll have to customize mask कि बाल नहीं है तो किस तरह का मास्क लगना चाहिए और बाल है तो कैसा मास्क लगना चाहिए
well done
every day especially in my field I get to see mostly women are my patients
okay
तो वो प्रोसीजर करते करते बातें करते करते you get to hear such funny tales it's like there are days when I've been told I should write a book on my funny encounters with the people this way so funny so you get to understand how psyche works
what kind of encounters you have mainly they are related to your patients with their funny issues or what
some of them are funny some of them are very sarcastic in the sense that you get to see people very up close and in a different light altogether so with all their vulnerabilities to say so it's fun to really so skin हमारा थोड़ा काम साइकियाट्रिस्ट की तरह भी होता है 50% जो पेशेंट को इम्प्रूवमेंट फील होता है वो काउंसलिंग की वजह से फील होता है
अच्छा okay good but आप better be careful you are live on the Facebook also और यहाँ की जो गलतियां है ना माफ नहीं होती है वो हाईलाइट हो जाती है इसलिए आप
कुछ होने दो गलतियां परफेक्ट तो नहीं है लेकिन हाँ गलती देखो होता क्या है कि गलती तो जो हमारी फील्ड ऐसी है ना कि इसमें 100% राइट तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता
एक्चुअली और पता है मैंने जब फर्स्ट सोचा था कि टॉपिक होना चाहिए कि हेयर वोंट फॉल आई गॉट स्कैर्ड आई सेड नहीं भैया कोई अगर
हो ही नहीं सकता हेयर वोंट फॉल तो मतलब हमारी दुकान एक तो बंद हो जाएगी अगर बाल झड़ना बंद हो गए तो कभी कभार लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि डॉक्टर साहब आपके ट्रीटमेंट अच्छे हैं लेकिन कुछ ऐसा दो जिससे परमानेंट हो जाए तो वो फिर मैं उनको बोलता हूँ मैं अगर मिल भी जाएगा तो मैं नहीं दूंगा आप आना छोड़ दोगे मेरे पास
ओके Ravi, could you please make him the co-host because he has to share some things. Screen sharing करेंगे साहब. तो डॉक्टर साहब पता है आज today's show is 24th. 24th back to back. और इसमें क्या है कि back to back का मतलब होता है I have not taken a single break. From the day it started till today we've had one guest coming in almost every day. So half the time my wife is dancing on my head कि please take a break. Please take a break. You know how I reply to her now? अब तो आदत सी है मुझको शोज करने की
तो इसका मतलब लॉकडाउन में आप सबसे ज्यादा बिजी हो गए हो
एक्चुअली बिजी हो गया आपके वाले टॉपिक के लिए भी आज 4 घंटा पढ़ना पड़ गया मेरे को
अरे इतनी पढ़ाई तो मैंने भी नहीं करी है आप जितनी पढ़ाई करके
नहीं बट एक्चुअली यू नो व्हाट टू डू द शो करेक्टली we need to study otherwise it becomes like you are talking to somebody who does not know the right questions to ask and our objective is to take maximum answers for those questions that we have that's the whole objective okay let's start now ladies and gentlemen sorry what is that
let me see can we see the screen sharing ek baar
just give me 2 minutes can you please remove the screen share let me talk about the show for 2 minutes okay Yeah, okay. Just allow me 2 minutes, please. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Papa JC Talk Show. And a very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you had your lunch because the timings have changed after lunch. Okay. कल का शो गजब का था. Actually, Aditi ji ने energy से रूबरू कराया हम सभी को. And मेरे को तो feel हुआ था. I felt energy going into me from my head. हालांकि जगह head में कम है, लेकिन energy जा रही थी. Tomorrow is a very, very big day, as Mr. Baichung Bhutia is joining at 2 p.m. He wants to encourage today's children to use playground. So please invite your children at tomorrow's show. My friend Neeraj Surana will help me host tomorrow's show. Actually needed one celebrity to host the other celebrity. That's why I got him on board for tomorrow's show. Kavita ji, would you please share the link for tomorrow's show so that people can register if they have to register?
Yes, sure. I'm doing that.
Actually, we've just shared on the chat. There is a link for tomorrow's show, and it's very, very interesting. We have very limited capacity for tomorrow. Expecting a lot of people to join. So if you have, either you copy this link and save it somewhere and you can register later. This is the link for tomorrow's show, and I want all of you to come. And please share it with your children and get them along too. Okay. Now, may I request Kavita ji to please introduce our guest of honor for today?
Yes. So, a very good afternoon to everyone. In today's life, as we know, hair fall is one of the major areas of concern, and it happens due to various reasons. So, herein lies the role of a hair specialist who can suggest ways and means in order to prevent hair fall. So, it's a pleasure to introduce Dr. Ishad Agarwal on board, MBBS MB, skin, hair, and cosmetic dermatologist. He is a consultant dermatologist at Wisden Clinics and Pulnam Clinic, also associated with Amri Hospital, Thakuria. He is a member of the International Society of Dermatology. He has received special training in cosmetic correction from Singapore General Hospital. He is a speaker at various national and international conferences and is a trainer who teaches cosmetic corrections to other doctors across India. He chose dermatology as a career because he has seen that it has a profound impact on a person's quality of life. So he is also a dermatologist to Tollywood celebrities and social media influencers. Over to you, Papa JC.
Thank you, Kavita. भाई आप तो अच्छे खासे पढ़े लिखे आदमी हो यार. मतलब हमारे पास जितने लोग आ रहे हैं इतने ज्यादा क्वालिफाइड है कि बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है सबसे. तो जब आपसे बात करने के लिए ना बहुत सोच समझ के बोलना पड़ता है हमको.
पता है डॉक्टर्स को सबसे ज्यादा टेंशन होती है जब कोई ऐसे बुलाता है, क्योंकि हमें किताबें पढ़नी तो आती है लेकिन ऐसे इंसानों के साथ बात करने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, क्योंकि इतने साल किताबों में पढ़े रह जाते हैं कि वो सोशल कनेक्शन के वक्त थोड़े से हाथ पांव हमारे भी फूटते हैं.
ओके. आप हालांकि आप खुद स्पेशलिस्ट हो फॉर स्किन एंड एवरीथिंग, सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स, but today's topic is around hair and we want to stick to that because this topic is so vast. And there was a suggestion from somebody in the group that we might need to extend it to another day because questions are so many and you might have to address to all of them. So we have made some changes for today's program. I picked up these questions and I compiled them into a rapid fire. So that the basic one-liners where you can answer them in yes, no, true, false, and if you really want to discuss on any of them topic in details later, so आप एक पेन और किताब रखिए साथ में जैसे मैं रखता हूँ हमेशा. So we will pick up that question and we'll repeat. ठीक है? तो वो मैं भी लिख रहा हूँ, आप भी लिखिएगा ताकि अपने भूले नहीं. We should be able to address to all of them. So we're ready. Okay. Now before we start the session of question and answer for today, I want to request all of you, people here who are the invitees or everybody who is attending this show, to not to ask any prescription questions. Specific prescription questions ना पूछे आप कि हमको दवाई क्या लेनी है. उससे क्या होगा? The show का meaning will die. Secondly, I also want to request that Papa JC Talk Show platform is only a medium for your answers, and at no point should I be held responsible for them. पर कुछ गलत आंसर हो जाए तो भैया हमको सूली पे मत चढ़ाइएगा, because मेरा वो पर्पस है कि आप तक आंसर पहुंचाया जाए. अब सही गलत का मुझे आइडिया नहीं है, इसलिए हम बड़े-बड़े लोगों को लाते हैं यहाँ पर. So we move on to our first question for today. Doctor sir, are you ready?
Yes, absolutely.
Question number 1. What is hair?
Okay, hair is nothing but a protein. उस protein का नाम होता है keratin, and so that is just hair. That's about it.
Okay, that's very quick. हाउ डज हेयर ग्रो? ये ग्रो वाला कहानी क्या है उसका? मतलब शरीर तो इतना बढ़ता नहीं
जो
लेकिन
आप
बाल बढ़ता
बाहर,
जाता
यस, जो आप बाहर देख रहे हो वो सिर्फ एक प्रोटीन है और इसके अंदर एक रूट होती है। तो वो रूट में कुछ सेल्स होते हैं जो ग्रो करते रहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से बाल उगता है। कुछ टाइम के बाद वो उगना बंद कर देते हैं, इसीलिए बाल भी उगना बंद कर देता है। तो वो मे बी लेटर जब मैं एक बार स्लाइड दिखाऊंगा तो आई शो कि एग्जैक्टली वो रूट कहाँ होती है और वो हेयर कैसा होता है, तो उसमें वो ज्यादा बेटर क्लियर समझ
है। आप दिखाना चाहिए, अभी दिखा सकते हैं, इफ यू वांट टू शो नाउ।
जाएगा। ओके, कैन वी हैव द स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑन दिस वन? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible, sir.
Can you see the slide? Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible, sir.
Yes. So if you see that this area is the root और यहाँ से उगता हुआ ये बाल आता है, तो हम जो बाहर देख रहे हैं वो बाल सिर्फ इतना है और इसके नीचे ये सारा काम उतना ही नीचे उतना काम हो रहा है। तो बेसिकली ग्रोथ यहाँ से शुरू होती है, यहाँ से शुरू नहीं होती है। ये हेयर इज समथिंग लाइक दिस और ये पूरा स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है एक प्रोटीन से बना होता है जिसका नाम होता है केराटिन।
ओके,
राइट।
ये तो बहुत इजी है।
हाँ, तो इजी रखेंगे हम चीजें, एकदम बिल्कुल इजी रखेंगे।
एक आपसे एक जिस तरह आप जा रहे हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही रहेगा, बिकॉज ये सोच के चलिए कि हमारे जो सुनने वाले जो ऑडियंस है ना, या वो 6 साल के नीचे है,
ओके,
या फिर बहुत ज्यादा सीनियर है, तो उनमें पेशेंस नहीं है बहुत ज्यादा टेक्निकल सुनने का।
डोंट वरी।
ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू टेल बिटवीन गुड हेयर एंड बैड हेयर, टॉकिंग अबाउट क्वालिटी एज इन द मेडिकल लाइन। मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपके हिसाब से एक गुड हेयर बैड हेयर क्या होता है?
सी, गुड हेयर इज वन जो शाइन करता है, जो यूनिफॉर्म थिकनेस का है, जो बहुत ज्यादा पतला नहीं है, वो गुड हेयर होता है। अब जो हेयर जो टूटा टूटा सा लग रहा है, जिसके सरफेस पे आपको लग रहा है कि ब्रेक्स आए हुए हैं या फिर जिसके एंड्स एकदम स्प्लिट हो गए हैं और एकदम पतला पड़ गया है, वो बुरा हेयर होता है। तो बेसिकली आप यही देख के गुड हेयर और बैड हेयर की डेफिनेशन करते हैं।
तो ये क्वालिटी ऑफ जो हेयर है that is determined by the pollution outside or from the growth within?
Quality of the hair is determined both by external and internal factors. Internal आपका genetics कैसा है, आप क्या खाना खा रहे हैं, आपका lifestyle कैसा है, and of course pollution, आप कितना देर धूप में खड़े रहते हैं, कितनी डस्ट में रहते हैं, तो ये सब चीजें मिलकर क्वालिटी ऑफ हेयर डिसाइड करती हैं।
तो आप जो बता रहे खाना खा रहे हैं, तो अगर कोई बहुत हेल्दी है, जिम विम करता है, अगर उसके बाल जड़े हुए हो तो?
This is not the essential thing. जिम में तो आप देखो क्या होता है कि आप मिली जो डाइट कंज्यूम भी करते हो जिम जाने के लिए, वो प्रोटीन बेस्ड डाइट कंज्यूम करते हो, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि जो विटामिन आपके हेयर को चाहिए वो उस डाइट में होगा। और अगर ऐसा होता तो जितने हमारे बॉडी बिल्डर है वो तो कभी बाल उनके कम होते ही नहीं। तो पॉइंट इज वेरी सिंपल कि अगर आप अच्छा खाना खाएंगे तो चांसेस हैं कि आपके हेयर अच्छे बने रहेंगे, लेकिन गारंटी नहीं है, क्योंकि जेनेटिक्स उसको ज्यादा पावरफुल है। अगर आपके जेनेटिक्स में है कि आपके बाल उड़ेंगे तो वो उड़ेंगे ही उड़ेंगे, बट आप उसको स्लो डाउन कर सकते हो।
तो आप किस विटामिन की बात करना चाह रहे थे, जो आप 2-3 बार विटामिन?
बहुत सारे विटामिन होते हैं, विटामिन डी है, विटामिन B12 है, जिंक है, कॉपर है, कैल्शियम है, सिलेनियम है। तो इस तरह के जो मल्टीविटामिन और मिनरल्स होते हैं जो इनफैक्ट हम लोग दवाइयों में भी देते हैं जिन लोगों को हेयर लॉस के इश्यूज होते हैं। आयरन है, काफी लोगों का आयरन कम होता है जिसकी वजह से हेयर लॉस होता है। तो ये सब मिनरल्स और विटामिन डाइट में होने बहुत जरूरी है।
तो आपके हिसाब से कोई इसका मिश्रण वाला कोई दवाई नहीं है, जो ये दवाई में सारे विटामिन आगे हुए हेयर के लिए?
नहीं, सारे हर एक के डिफरेंट होते हैं, इसलिए काफी केसेस में हम लोग ब्लड टेस्ट करा के भी देखते हैं कि कौन से की डेफिशिएंसी है और वही हम देते हैं।
ओके, आपको पीछे से समझा रही है कि प्रिस्क्रिप्शन की बात मत करो, डोंट टॉक अबाउट मेडिसिन। ओके, नेक्स्ट, हाउ टू नो फ्रॉम योर हेयर टेक्सचर whether it will stay or fall?
No, nobody can predict. It cannot be predicted except कि अगर आपके बाल बहुत पतले होते जा रहे हैं with time, तो वो जो पतला बाल है वो at some point गिरेगा, बट वो कब गिरेगा ये प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते।
आप डेंसिटी की बात कर रहे हैं कि सिंगल स्ट्रैंड की सिंगल हेयर की बात कर रहे हैं जो पतला होता है?
वो बाल ऐसा होगा, अगर आप किसी का भी सिर देखेंगे तो कुछ बाल जो होंगे वो मोटे होते हैं और कुछ पतले होते हैं और कुछ बहुत पतले होते हैं। जो वो बहुत पतले वाले बाल है वो कभी भी झड़ सकते हैं।
Okay, I get it. Next question is, what are the first symptoms of hair falling disease? जो बीमारी जिसको हम बोलते हैं हेयर फॉल वाली, उसका
नंबर 1 हेयर फॉल बीमारी नहीं है हर एक केसेस में। कुछ केसेस हैं जहां पर हेयर फॉल एक बीमारी है और कुछ केसेस है जहां पर वो एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है बॉडी का, जो सबके साथ, किसी को कम होता है किसी को ज्यादा होता है, तो उसको हम बीमारी नहीं कह सकते हैं। बट हाँ, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि बाल एकदम से कम हो गए हैं, पतले हो रहे हैं, खाली खाली दिख रहा है, फिर तो मतलब आप समझ सकते हैं कि आपका हेयर फॉल अब होना शुरू हो गया है।
तो मतलब ये तो अपने आप को घेर गिरा हुआ दिखेगा ना, तभी तो हम बोलेंगे कि गिरा हुआ है. दैट इज ओनली सिग्नल. कोई सिम्टम और नहीं है.
लेकिन दिन के 100 से लेके 150 बाल गिरना एकदम नॉर्मल है, और स्पेशली जिस दिन लोग शैम्पू करते हैं उस दिन 200 से 250 बाल गिरना एकदम नॉर्मल है। तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, एकदम लोग घबराते हुए आते हैं कि डॉक्टर साहब आज शैम्पू किया और इतना पूरा भर गया सिंक, लेकिन 200 से 250 बाल जिस दिन आप शैम्पू कर रहे हो उस दिन एकदम गिरना नॉर्मल है। तो मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि जिस दिन आपको लगे कि आपके जितने पहले बाल थे उससे कम हो गए हैं, स्पेशली आदमियों को यहाँ पे जो फ्रंटल हेयरलाइन जिसको बोलते हैं ये कम होनी शुरू हो जाती है, तब आपको समझ आता है कि हाँ बाल गिर रहे हैं। लेडीज के केस में जो उनका पार्टीशन लाइन होता है वो थोड़ा ब्रॉड हो जाता है, तो उस केसेस में उनको समझना चाहिए कि अब काफी हेयर लॉस हो गया है, अभी ट्रीटमेंट करना शुरू कर देना चाहिए।
Now, इस पे मैं थोड़ा सा डिफर करूंगा. I have something to share on my own front. Well, I am blessed with decent hair density, and I shampoo almost every day. I shampoo almost every day, and there is no problem with my hair. जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना hair fall, I don't see that happening because I do shampoo every day. और जिस दिन shampoo नहीं होती है, I'm not comfortable. So why is this then? Why is it different?
It's not different at all. मतलब हर एक इंसान की एक हेयर साइकिल नाम की चीज होती है। तो वो हमारे जो सिर पे बाल हैं उसमें से 90% बाल जो है वो ग्रोथ फेज में होते हैं, और बाकी जो बाल होते हैं वो रेस्टिंग फेज में होते हैं और वो गिर जाएंगे एट सम पॉइंट। तो कितने परसेंटेज ऑफ बाल आपके ग्रोथ फेज में है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा आपका कितना हेयर लॉस हो रहा है। तो हर एक का ये डिफरेंट होता है, ये सब जेनेटिकली वायर्ड है। मतलब वो आपकी बॉडी आप लेकर आए हो कि आपके इतने बाल गिरेंगे ही गिरेंगे, आप उसके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, लेकिन वो किसका कितना परसेंटेज है वो हम प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते किसी के केस में।
Perfect. अच्छा, next question है हमारे पास. Please tell us a little about this artificial hair जो लगाते हैं अपने लोग, जो अलग-अलग तरह के ऑप्शन जैसे wig है, weaving है, transplant है, वगैरह वगैरह. थोड़ा इसके थोड़ा सा बता दें कि इसमें what are these options basically?
ओके, सी ट्रांसप्लांट इज वेरी सिंपल कि उसमें आपके जो अपने बाल होते हैं, ये पीछे वाले एरिया के जो बाल होते हैं ये गिरते नहीं है। अगर आप किसी को देखेंगे जो पूरी तरह से इनफैक्ट बॉल्ड भी हो चुके हैं, तो आप देखेंगे ये वाले बाल और ये साइड वाले बाल बचे रहते हैं, ये वाला पूरा एरिया खत्म हो जाता है बालों से। तो इन बालों की एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि ये गिरेंगे नहीं, तो हम यहाँ से बाल लेके सामने की तरफ लगा देते हैं, दैट इज ट्रांसप्लांट। वेरी सिंपल।
एक एक सिंगल बाल,
एक सिंगल बाल लगता है।
बाप रे बाप.
फिर आता है आपका विग या फिर जिसको बोलते हैं प्रोस्थेटिक हेयर। उसमें वो लोग किसी भी मतलब या तो ह्यूमन की या एनिमल हेयर लेकर वो प्रॉपर उसको एक 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 चीज के ऊपर लगाते हैं और वो बिठा दिया जाता है सिर पे। अब वो साइज जो होता है वो कस्टमाइज करके बनता है, उसमें मेजर किया जाता है वो टेप से कि कितना साइज है, और उसी साइज के हिसाब से वो बनकर आती है, उसको बोलते हैं हम प्रोस्थेटिक हेयर। एंड थर्ड थिंग है जिसको बोलते हैं हेयर वीविंग, मतलब वो भी एक तरह का प्रोस्थेटिक ही होता है, लेकिन उसमें क्या करते हैं वो आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर्स लेके उसको सिलकर बालों के ऊपर चिपका दिया जाता है। तो इन माय ओपिनियन जनरली जो मैक्सिमम लोग कराते हैं वो या तो ट्रांसप्लांट होता है और या फिर वो विग की तरह एक प्रोस्थेटिक बोलते हैं जिसको हम मैंने आपको बताया हेयर प्रोस्थेटिक, वो यूज किया जाता है। वीविंग अब इतना लोग यूज नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे इश्यूज आए हैं।
बस मतलब ये तीन ही प्रोसेस है बेसिकली,
मेनली जो आर्टिफिशियल हेयर लगाने के हैं या फिर जिसको कह सकते हैं हेयर लगाने की प्रोसेस में। बाकी नॉन सर्जिकल बहुत सारे मेथड्स होते हैं, वो मैं धीरे धीरे जैसे बढ़ता है मैं आपको बताऊंगा उन सबके।
और वो जो इंजेक्शन लगाते हैं ना, जब पैचेस होते हैं, जब इंजेक्शन लगा के विदाउट दैट,
वो अलग बीमारी होती है, उसको वो एक अलग बीमारी होती है, एलोपेशिया एरियाटा उसको बोलते हैं, उसका फोटो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा।
Okay,
तो
we have
वो
that
जब
topic है, we'll go to that. I was just confirming. Okay, next. I've heard that lot of big film stars wear wigs. Is it true?
I can't comment on it. I really can't comment.
Good. Okay, now main cause of hair fall deficiency wise, which particular nutrient or vitamin?
I think most common in ladies is iron deficiency, जिसकी वजह से हेयर लॉस सबसे ज्यादा होता है। तो आयरन, कैल्शियम, वी ऑल्सो डू विटामिन डी। वेजिटेरियंस के अंदर जनरली विटामिन B12 की कमी बहुत होती है जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारा हेयर लॉस होता है। तो ये कॉमन न्यूट्रिएंट्स है जिनकी डेफिशिएंसी वजह से हेयर लॉस।
Perfect. Now get ready for rapid fire.
Okay.
ये rapid fire is something which has most of these questions. आप उसको one word में आंसर करिएगा प्लीज मार्क माय रिक्वेस्ट इज दैट कि आप काइंडली अगर पेन पेपर रख लीजिए, कोई आपको टॉपिक डिस्कस करने का मन हो.
I have a pen and paper.
Perfect, we'll go back to that. Plucking gray hair causes more gray hair. True or false?
No, false, absolutely false.
मैंने हम निकाल सकते हैं आप.
एकदम आंख बंद करके.
Shampoo can cause hair loss.
Absolutely no, and I would like to discuss it again. This is important.
Lovely, good. Dandruff causes hair loss.
No, absolutely no.
Oh, perfect, yaar. Ammonia-free hair dye is good for hair.
No, there is nothing called as this. I can take right away. There is nothing called as a safe hair dye. Ammonia वाले hair dye से किसी को reaction होता है, but that doesn't mean कि वो एकदम से safe है. You can still have a reaction to a hair dye, irrespective कि उसमें ammonia है या नहीं.
Okay. Next, oiling causes hair loss.
No, it's good.
Yes.
Yes, and we'll talk to you about it. This is also something we can talk. Oiling and hair.
Okay. Hair loss is because of irregular periods in women.
No.
No, okay.
No.
Hair loss is inherited from mother's side. Specifically mother's side.
Not specifically, yes, it is, but it can also be from father's side. So it's not completely true.
Genetically, anybody, you mean?
Yeah, anybody. Yeah.
Okay, next. Cutting hair promotes hair growth.
No. This is myth. Absolutely myth.
जैसे बोलते हैं ना, दाढ़ी करोगे शेव तो फिर वो दाढ़ी फिर निकलेगी, वैसा वो, that is true?
ऐसा नहीं होता. फिर तो जो शेव नहीं कर रहे उनके रुक जानी चाहिए.
Perfect. Okay. Next is wearing caps causes hair loss.
No, myth. Big myth.
जो पसीना रहता है उससे कुछ नहीं वैसा होता ना.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Good. Kali mehndi doesn't cause allergic reaction. Kali mehndi.
This is very, very big. This is a big false. In fact, I'll take it right away and tell people कि उनको लगता है कि ये काली मेहंदी लगाएंगे और उनको कोई बीमारी नहीं हो सकती है. वो काली मेहंदी में भी वही डाइंग प्रोडक्ट होते हैं जो आपके हेयर डाइज में होते हैं. The only thing which is very safe probably is कि आप मेहंदी के पत्ते लेकर आके उसको पीस के फिर लगाएं, वो शायद सेफ है. But other than that, nothing is safe.
Perfect. Hair loss is not same as alopecia.
नो, एलोपेशिया जो होता है वो एक ब्रॉड टर्म है जिसमें कोई भी हेयर लॉस आ जाता है, और जो हम जनरली हेयर लॉस देखते हैं वो एक नॉर्मल फिजियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस.
Next is onion juice. Onion juice is perfectly safe for scalp.
See, it is good for scalp, but it is not safe. Again, काफी लोगों को उससे भी रिएक्शन होता है.
Okay. Beer is a good conditioner. True or false?
There's no research to back it. So some people who like it. Some people who don't like it. I can't. There's nothing much to comment here.
वो मतलब जो beer डालते हैं सर पे वो बेकार है.
नहीं, मतलब ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है उससे. It's just a big myth. I mean.
Okay. Now next question. Conditioner causes hair loss.
No. It's good for your hair.
Okay.
We'll take shampoo, conditioner in a bit detail later.
आप नोट कर लीजिए please.
हाँ.
Next question is direct sunlight is bad for hair.
Prolonged sun exposure, अगर दिन में 8-8, 10-10 घंटे धूप में रहते हो तो it's very bad. But generally an hour a day is not at all bad for your hair.
Okay. Bald guys have more testosterone.
So you know what, this is funny, and I'll tell you an incident. So there was this gentleman who came to the clinic, and he's losing hair and everything, and he's like, doctor, I don't want to do much about it, but I'm still embarrassed with the hair. But I've heard that I'll have better libido and I'll have better performance, etc., because I have no hair. And apparently Napoleon had no hair, and which is why he was considered very attractive towards women. So I was like, ये तो आपने एकदम नई बात बताई है मेरे को. अगर ऐसा होता तो सारे actors फिर गंजे ही रहते. But this is not true at all. And if you have lesser hair, it only means कि आपके बालों में आपका जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल है वो ज्यादा इफेक्टिव है बालों को कम करने में, ना कि आपके अंदर ज्यादा टेस्टोस्टेरोन है. तो let's just call it a big myth. That's about it.
Thank you so much. मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड मुझे कॉम्प्लेक्स दे रहे थे इतने सालों से. आज छुट्टी मिल गई इस कॉम्प्लेक्स. And they are here. I think some of them are here. I can see them. Okay, next question. Only men go bald.
No. This is myth. I've seen bald men.
All hair products are bad.
No, but उसमें भी if you are using the hair products for a longer duration, they might cause more breakage of hair, but not uprooting of hair. So no, not all products are not bad.
Herbal products are chemical free.
This is, I think, the biggest myth. There is nothing called as a chemical free product. All products have chemicals. Herbal products को भी preservative डाल के ही वो लोग बेच पाते हैं. So this is a big myth.
Perfect. Next is a drain full of hair means trouble.
No, as I've explained, 100 to 150 hair loss per day is absolutely okay. So unless it is you're seeing bald patches on the scalp, it is nothing to worry.
ठीक है. Next is hair transplant is permanent.
No, it's not permanent. Again, this is a myth, and this is mostly promoted by the hair transplant companies and the places like that. You might, and in fact, you will need a second set of transplant at some point of time in life for sure if you've done a hair transplant.
Okay. Hair loss medicines can cause weaknesses.
See, by weaknesses, I mean there are a lot of people who claim that their hair loss medicine can cause impotence. Yes, some of them can cause, but not all of them can cause. So you can talk to your doctor before you get a prescription कि किससे क्या हो सकता है, and then choose wisely accordingly. But not all of them won't cause weakness, not at all.
You are talking about impotency, right?
Yes.
So there is a parallel connection कुछ होगा.
Yeah. I'll explain a little bit when we discuss treatments.
Okay. Next is non-vegetarians have better hair than vegetarians.
This is the biggest myth. I mean, so many patients come and tell me that, because people in Bengal are eating fish, इसलिए उनके बाल अच्छे हैं और हम नहीं खाते हैं इसलिए हमारे अच्छे नहीं हैं. So I think that is a big myth.
Applying hair wax and gel can cause hair loss.
Not necessarily.
Combing wet hair causes hair loss.
Combing wet hair might cause breakage of hair, but it will not cause hair loss. There's a difference.
Okay. Applying serum on hair is essential.
No, not at all. अगर आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा oily हैं तो serum लगा के और खराब हो जाएंगे. So it's not essential.
Applying egg on hair will make more hair grow.
Not at all. एकदम नहीं. उससे ये हो सकता है कि आपके बालों में थोड़ा bounce आ जाएगा तो आपको लगेगा कि volume ज़्यादा हो गया है, because there will be a bounce in the hair, but it is not going to grow more hair for sure.
Okay, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि उससे खाना मिल रहा है बाल को.
नहीं, एकदम भी नहीं. वो जाएगा ही नहीं वहां तक जहाँ खाना चाहिए वहां जाएगा ही.
Okay. You should keep on changing hair products because they lose efficiency with time, or the effect on the body with time.
Absolutely no. If you have a hair product which you feel has suited you well, please continue with that for the rest of your life.
Excellent. Sleeping with your hair down makes it grow faster. माने वो जो उल्टा सोते हैं
तो सारे headstand करके सोना शुरू कर देंगे जितने भी लोगों के बाल नहीं है, but I don't think it is possible. No. I would
नहीं तो blood circulation जाना और वैसा कुछ नहीं उसपे.
कितनी देर के लिए जाएगा ना? You have to literally go like उल्टा होके सोना पड़ेगा. I mean, I don't know how that is even possible.
Perfect. Next question. Combing 100 times will make the hair go thicker and faster. ऐसा कुछ?
I want to know who are these people who have the patience to comb 100 times.
बॉस मेरी तो गंदी आदत है. मेरी हर जगह ऑफिस में गाड़ी में हर जगह ब्रशेस रहते ही है. पता नहीं क्यों मेरे को एक अजीब सा वो है कि because first of all it gives me releases some stress and I am an example. देखिए अच्छा खासा ठीक ठाक ही है.
So I'll tell you something. Yes, it relieves stress for sure. एक तो it's sort of I think meditative yogic kind of an exercise कि 100 बार बाल ऐसे करना है मंत्र पढ़ के. But I don't think कि उससे बाल लंबे होने वाले हैं किसी के भी. या बाल
नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं तो खाली ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ा रहा हूँ ऐसे करके बस. That's it. अपने आप को बस.
I wish ऐसे बढ़ जाता blood circulation, but ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. You are lucky. You are genetically blessed. Count your blessings. Thank God. But I mean, 100 बार बाल comb करने से किसी के बाल नहीं आने वाले.
I hope my children are not watching this because they are against me all the time. Anyways, next question. Cold water is better for your hair. Cold water bath.
Room temperature water is best. Room temperature पे जो water है, or maybe a lukewarm water. Never too cold, never too warm.
Good. Making a ponytail makes hair fall less.
See, on the contrary, if you make a very tight ponytail, your hair will fall more. So no.
Okay, next. बाप रे बाप, कितने सारे questions. Hair transplant always fails. Again, that's not true, is it?
No, I think that is not true. We've seen so many successes with hair transplantation.
Hair spa is essential to prevent split ends.
No, absolutely no. The only thing that works for split ends is regular trimming of hair, nothing else.
Blow dry is better than home drying because you lose less hair.
One, drying is not at all good for your hair. So blow dry ki to baat hi chhod do. Overall, using a hair dryer is not good for the hair, and I think if you're getting too many blow dries, you're going to lose hair soon.
Curly hair falls less than straight hair.
No, I don't think so. It's more genetic than curly or wavy. Nothing like that. Yes, but if you are having a lot of curly hair और आप बहुत ज़्यादा उसको comb करके खींच के comb कर रहे हो तो definitely ज़्यादा टूटेंगे, but otherwise there's no science to it.
अच्छा, wooden combs cause hair growth. They inspire or trigger hair growth.
This is funny, but the only reason wooden combs give you better hair is because wooden combs पतले नहीं होते हैं. Generally अगर आप wooden comb देखोगे वो बहुत wide होते हैं, उसके बीच के spaces जो होते हैं. So it's because of that your hair fall less, because वो उसमें फंस के गिर के टूटते नहीं है. That is the only reason. But ऐसा नहीं है कि wooden और plastic में कोई better है. Nothing.
Is rice starch good for your hair as a conditioner?
Not that I've heard of, but yes, it's worth a try. This is something funny, and I would definitely want to, people here, if you can try and give me a feedback, and I'll definitely would want to recommend if it's very good. But I have not heard of anything like that.
Good. I read somewhere we should not use a comb for our hair. We should use a hairbrush instead.
On the contrary, we should use a comb, a wide tooth comb. पतला comb use नहीं करना है. That is, the comb is better than brush any given day for your hair, especially longer hair.
Last question. Dandruff is contagious.
No, not at all. Not at all. Yeah, and I've heard that. This is not a myth which you think it's written in the books. I've had people where they've said कि मेरे बेटे को पहले dandruff नहीं था, वो अपने cousins के घर गया, वहाँ से dandruff लेकर आ गया. But this does not happen. So myth, big myth.
So what we did now, we have more or less addressed a lot of these regular issues that we face or we feel or we experience on regular basis. So it answers at least 30-40% of our questions. अब इसके बाद जो questions आते हैं, they are like specific to their individual problems. Now I'll share with you how we work. We have a WhatsApp group. I keep telling everybody, and I thank them at every forum, that because of them I get a lot of questions to ask with our speakers. I mean, we can start a communication with our speakers. Now, may I request all of you, if you want to ask questions directly, please raise your hands on the Zoom app. I will unmute you and ask you to ask. In the meantime, we start with the questions that we have here, one by one.
Yeah.
First question that we have is, how to have thick and healthy hair? What is the mantra?
Okay, so if you want to have thick and healthy hair, there are two issues. एक बालों को टूटने से बचाना है और एक बालों को जड़ से उखड़ने से बचाना है. तो बालों को टूटने से बचाने के लिए प्लीज यूज अ गुड शैम्पू और यूज अ गुड कंडीशनर. एंड फॉर द हेयर टू ग्रो बेटर, प्लीज हैव अ हेल्दी डाइट, टेक योर मल्टीविटामिन्स, अवॉइड स्टैंडिंग लॉन्ग आवर्स इन सन. बहुत ज़्यादा आप पोल्यूशन से बच के रहिए. And I think more or less you'll have a decent amount of hair if you are not genetically predisposed to lose hair. अगर आपका genetics खराब है तो उसका कोई help नहीं कर सकता उसमें.
You said something about shampoo, good shampoo to use. उसमें कुछ आप टिप्पणी दे सकते हैं because shampoo इतने सारे brands हैं.
Perfect. Shampoo and conditioner. I think three things. I'll touch on three things here: shampoo, conditioner, and oil. Because ये maximum लोगों के questions रहते हैं. So there is nothing called as a good shampoo or a bad shampoo or a medicated shampoo. The only and only purpose of a shampoo is कि आपके scalp जो है वो clean रहना चाहिए है, बाल साफ रहने चाहिए है, तो आप कुछ भी use कर सकते हो जो आपको सूट कर रहा है. Number one. Second, coming to the fact, conditioner. Conditioner भी आप कोई भी use कर सकते हो depending upon your hair. Now, how many times do you shampoo? How many times do you condition? अगर आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा oily हैं तो मे बी आप हफ्ते में for women especially 2 या 3 बार आप shampoo कर सकते हो. For men, I would recommend shampooing every day because they tend to step out more of their houses, stay more in pollution and outdoors. So shampoo every day. It's easier for them to shampoo as well. एंड बट फॉर विमेन ऑल्सो, अगर आपको लगता है कि बाल बहुत स्टिकी हो जाते हैं एक दिन में शैम्पू करने के बाद से ही, तो आप हर रोज भी शैम्पू कर सकते हो. देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो वे अ शैम्पू विल कॉज हेयर लॉस. तो ये मिथ अपने दिमाग से निकाल के हर रोज शैम्पू कीजिए. रोज कंडीशन भी कर सकते हैं. कमिंग टू ऑयलिंग, ऑयलिंग इज अगेन वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेयर प्रोवाइडेड यू डोंट ओवरडू इट. इनफैक्ट जब हमारे लाइफ में कंडीशनर्स नहीं थे तो oil was the only conditioner that was available. So oil is also called as poor man's conditioner. Basically किसी भी कंडीशनर का काम होता है कि आपके बालों के ऊपर एक कोट बना दे ताकि बाल डैमेज ना हो और बाल इजीली डिटेंगल हो जाए. तो ऑयल वही काम करता है. बेस्ट ऑयल्स आर टू यूज आर कोकोनट ऑयल एंड सनफ्लावर ऑयल. बेसिकली सरसों का तेल और नारियल का तेल सबसे अच्छा है. I wouldn't recommend olive oil or almond oil or all those kind of oils. Stick to these two oils. अगर आपके बाल बहुत ऑयली है तो ऑयल बहुत ज़्यादा मत लगाइए. बहुत ज़्यादा डैंड्रफ है तो ऑयल थोड़ा कम कीजिए. हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार ज़रूर कीजिए. शैम्पू करने से पहले, अगर इनफैक्ट बहुत ड्राई हेयर है तो शैम्पू करने से पहले आप आराम से 1-1.5 घंटा ऑयल लगा के रखिए. उसके ऊपर इवन थोड़ा ब्लो ड्राई कर सकते हो ताकि ऑयल अच्छे से रच जाए बालों के अंदर. देन यू शैम्पू एंड देन यू लीव इट ऑफ. सो आई थिंक this would really roughly answer a basic hair routine also, कि आपको कितनी बार शैम्पू करना है, कितनी बार ऑयल करना है और क्या यूज करना है बाल.
एक्सीलेंट. आई थिंक आपने पूरा एकदम समझा दिया. मेरे को भी समझ में आ गया क्या करना है. नेक्स्ट वी गो ऑन टू आई थिंक दिस कवर्स द सेकंड क्वेश्चन आल्सो. बेस्ट हेयर केयर रेजिम which can be followed in short time. I think this you've explained this, right? कुछ और बोलना है?
Only unless if you have very dry hair, so you can use like a leave-on serum at night. But other than that, I think this is more or less what covers it.
Excellent. Hair fall near the scalp line, what to apply? Hair fall near the scalp line, what to apply?
Okay, so अगर scalp line के पास hair fall हो रहा है, especially if the person who is asked is a male, then you are suffering from something called as male pattern baldness. Okay, so can I explain that in a little bit more detail, because I think that will answer a lot of questions, right?
Please, yes.
So I'm going to share the screen now because this is something that is very important. Okay, is it visible? Yeah. So can you see the picture?
Yes.
Right. So this is, I think, roughly what the person who has asked is this, कि आपके ये होती है scalp line और इसके आसपास बालों की thinning शुरू हो जाती है. If you see this particular image, the reason I've chosen this image is because इसमें आपको दिखाई देगा कि ये वाले बाल जो हैं वो पतले हो रहे हैं. तो जब भी एक आदमी के बाल झड़ते हैं तो वो एक दिन में नहीं झड़ते हैं. It is a process that happens over a span of years altogether. और इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं मिनिएचराइजेशन. एंड दिस इज व्हाट हाउ इट हैपेंस. बेसिकली आपके बाल इस तरह से होते हैं और धीरे धीरे वो पतले होके गिरना शुरू हो जाते हैं. जब तक ये रूट एक्टिव रहती है तब तक हम आपको नॉन सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स दे सकते हैं. एक बार जब ये रूट खत्म हो जाती है तो फिर आपको सर्जरी के अलावा और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचता. तो इसको हम कहते हैं मेल पैटर्न बॉल्डनेस. मतलब आदमियों के बाल या तो सामने से गिरते हैं या पीछे की तरफ से जाते हैं और धीरे धीरे विद एज ये दोनों एरियाज मर्ज होके ये पूरा एरिया जो है वो खाली हो जाता है. सो नाउ लेट मी आंसर द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द जेंटलमैन हु आस्क्ड दिस, कि अगर आपके स्कैल्प लाइन की थिनिंग हो रही है, प्लीज विजिट योर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट. नंबर 1, आपको पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा. ये एक ऐसी चीज होती है जिसमें आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग ट्रीटमेंट लेना है. कुछ लोशंस आपको दिए जाएंगे, कुछ खाने की दवाई आपको दी जाएगी. अगर आप वो एकदम शिद्दत से मेहनत से कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो आपको किसी और ट्रीटमेंट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. लेकिन अगर आप उसको अपनी लाइफ का पार्ट नहीं बना के छोड़ दोगे तो डेफिनेटली बहुत सारे इश्यूज होंगे. इनफैक्ट मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में 80% ऑफ द पीपल who stick to the treatment, they have very good results. But people who are impatient or who want quick results, क्योंकि बाल उगाना खेती की तरह है एकदम. आपको रोज पानी देना है, रोज उसमें मैन्योर डालना है, तभी वो उगेंगे, नहीं तो वो नहीं उगेंगे. तो प्लीज start putting your lotions and start taking your capsules. आपके बाल definitely improve हो जाएंगे.
Okay, and what about if it's a woman? If the question is, because I did not specifically ask the gender.
Okay, so for women, I think this is the kind of they have, उनके जो बाल गिरते हैं वो basically it's around the partition. which we called as the female pattern hair loss. So generally women start seeing that kind of a hair loss at a much later stage in their life, maybe after 40s or 45, 50 के आसपास. So that is when they should again start putting, there's a serum called as minoxidil करके एक lotion आता है, जिसके बहुत सारे brands available हैं. They can start putting that and start taking some multivitamins. So that would generally, help people out. But अगर इससे भी 3-4 महीने आपने ये continuously लगाया और आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है, देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव्स लाइक पीआरपी करके एक ट्रीटमेंट होता है, या फिर बहुत सारे और ट्रीटमेंट्स होते हैं जो आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. बट स्टार्ट ऑफ विद मिनॉक्सिडिल. आई थिंक दैट इज टाइम टेस्टेड एंड गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ हेयर ट्रीटमेंट.
Okay, now we are shifting to another phase of questions. यहाँ काफी सारे questions एक साथ एक क्लब कर दिया मैंने.
Okay.
Particularly about children, the young age में. Reasons for hair fall at young age. Now I'm reading out the questions. They are more or less the same answer, but they should know that I'm addressing their questions.
Okay.
Is there any way to prevent or reverse premature graying in my 18-year-old daughter, which is due to hereditary?
Okay.
Graying hair in young children in 20s and hair fall. How can I arrest this? Hair fall is an acute problem with the young nowadays. Also gray hair in young children. Please elaborate on causes and remedies. Thanks. So this is more or less the 3-4 questions that I compiled. So one answer can satisfy them.
Yeah, so I think I was expecting this to come. Let me be very honest and blunt here in saying that graying has no solution. If you've seen gray hair, that's because you are genetically wired to have gray hair. But definitely we are seeing more and more young children having gray hair. It's because of their very bad eating habits and very, very bad lifestyle. So if you are seeing that your children are having gray hair, you might want to intervene into their lifestyle, make them eat healthy, put them on green vegetables like broccoli. I think that is one of the best vegetables, and put them so that they get more of those multivitamins, and inculcate a habit of exercising in them, because I'm seeing, especially for girls, I'm seeing girls as young as even 14, 15 who are now developing things like, I don't know if you're a gynecologist, आपके सेशन हुआ होगा, उसमें PCOD करके एक बीमारी होती है जिसमें ओवरी के अंदर सिस्ट बन जाते हैं, जिसमें वेट लॉस, वेट गेन भी होता है, कलर डार्क होना शुरू हो जाता है, चेहरे पे बाल आने शुरू हो जाते हैं लड़कियों के, और हेयर उड़ने शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो सबसे बड़ा कारण जिसको मैं कहूँगा इस तरह की बीमारी का जो वो है बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग अ सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल. 10-10, 9-9 घंटे बच्चे बैठे रहते हैं कंप्यूटर के सामने, टीवी के सामने. तो आई थिंक इफ यू आर हैविंग a child who is in this age group और उसके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा झड़ रहे हैं, get them to work out, get them onto the floor, make them do homework, but कुछ कराइए जिससे उनका वो सब issue sort out होगा, and give them a healthy diet.
Now the question is also on graying, early graying.
Graying, you can't do much about it. Unfortunately, there is not much you can do about graying other than improving the lifestyle. वो उनका genetic tendency है, but उनका fast हो रहा है because of their bad lifestyle choices. So I think that is something you can alter, but not much you can do, unfortunately.
I can see that all the doctors who have come here over the days, you are the 13th doctor today on board, and they're all talking about, they're blaming our lifestyle for everything that we are suffering with. So basically,
yes, it is.
Same solution applies to all the problems.
It is, I'll tell you, it is so true that, now I have tied up with nutritionists and yoga teachers and all, and I send my patients to them first. मैं उनको कहता हूँ आप पहले 10-15 किलो कम करके आओ, फिर मैं आपका ट्रीटमेंट करूंगा, because even if I treat people for the skin or hair issues, अगर उनका lifestyle ठीक नहीं होगा वो वापस वहीं पे पहुंच जाएंगे. So it is very relevant.
So interesting बात ये, just out of the routine बात कर रहा हूँ. On Sunday we have called for a special session where we have invited a doctor, a specialist doctor. We'll have a nutritionist, we'll have a psychiatrist, and we'll have Neeraj Surana again. Wow. So Neeraj will talk about health. We're talking about obesity or talking about our जैसे कहते हैं मोटापा मिठास है. Motapa is a sign of happiness. So we'll discuss this. On that day is going to be very interesting. So I would request you to also join. So you can continue to whatever you are saying right now. Okay, next we go to the next question. Hair fall is maximum during monsoon. Can you please explain why and how to take care during this period?
So I think it is very different for different people, but generally people who have very oily hair and would experience more breakage in the monsoon because hair becomes more moisturized during that time. But there is no major, I wouldn't say that there would be something to get too worried about it, because that's just your dying hair which are going to fall off, and the moment the monsoon goes your hair will come back. So don't panic, just keep doing what you're regularly doing instead of trying to do million different things to improve your hair.
मैंने कोई गुरु मंत्र नहीं है इसमें,
इसका कोई गुरु मंत्र नहीं है. इनफैक्ट लाइक आई सेड, दिस इज समथिंग, किसी को लगता है समर में ज्यादा हो रहे हैं, किसी को लगता है विंटर में ज्यादा हो रहे हैं. तो एज आई सेड कि अगर आपके इतने बाल गिर रहे हैं कि आपका पूरा एक एरिया ही खाली हो गया, देन आई अंडरस्टैंड इट इज अ प्रॉब्लम. बट अ सब्जेक्टिव इंक्रीज इन हेयर लॉस कि आपको लग रहा है थोड़े से ज्यादा हो रहे हैं, तो दैट इज नॉट समथिंग टू बी वरीड अबाउट. On the contrary, I would say that I've seen people with stress, you know, that is a big cause of hair loss. So if you are stressed due to some reason, yes, you will have a lot of hair loss. But I don't think seasonal fluctuation is a reason for hair loss.
Okay, Ravi, can I request for a poll right now? Let's see what people have to say and give their opinion on today's show so far. Yes, please participate in this poll and let us know how we are doing. Oh my God, all are excellent. Good, excellent boss. डॉक्टर साहब, आपको तो रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिल रहा है, अच्छा खासा मिल रहा है. कुछ सैटिस्फैक्टरी भी है दो जन.
नहीं, उनको हम कर देंगे excellent towards the end of the show.
Well said, well said. Okay, next, Kavita ji, have you got the questions lined up? I will come to you.
Yeah, there are many questions.
Before that, there are a few hands raised. I'm lowering your hand. Her name is Nishaluja. Nisha Saluja. I've just lowered your. I've unmuted you. एक बार unmute कर दो ना, इनको कहाँ गया? Just a minute. हो गया. You are unmuted. Miss Nisha Saluja, you are.
Yeah, I'm Nisha Saluja. Actually, I have just one problem because during summers, you know, basically my hair, it falls, and plus I get dandruff, जो मैंने अभी ये सुना है, and plus मेरे ना बालों का growth बहुत कम होता है, and front side में ना थोड़ी खाली both my edges, like front side. So this is a problem. और मैं ज़्यादा बाहर निकलती हूँ. I'm a teacher, I'm teaching. So I don't know, maybe for the pollution.
How old are you?
Nisha ji, आप.
Hello, I'm 39 plus.
Any issues with thyroid? Any issues with
नहीं, मैंने मेरी first pregnancy में thyroid का issue था, but right now I don't have. But after my second pregnancy, I have some skin pigmentation.
When did you last check your thyroid levels?
I did 2003.
Okay, brilliant. So I think let's जो आपको करना चाहिए है, पहले आपको अपने सारे ब्लड टेस्ट जो होंगे वो एक बार चेक कर लेने चाहिए, जिसमें थायराइड, आप आयरन का लेवल चेक कीजिए, हीमोग्लोबिन लेवल चेक कीजिए, विटामिन डी लेवल चेक कीजिए, विटामिन डी.
हाँ, विटामिन डी मेरी बहुत कम है, विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी है, वो मैंने चेक किया अभी रिसेंटली.
तो आप ये वाले टेस्ट में आपका जो भी कम ज्यादा जो भी आता है उसके बेसिस पे आपको कुछ मल्टीविटामिन दे सकते हैं. सेकंड, आप मिनॉक्सिडिल नाम का सीरम आता है जो आप दिन में एक बार करके यूज कर सकते हैं.
आप एक और बार बताइए. मेनू. हेलो, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट. क्या मेनू?
हेलो, ये
मिनॉक्सिडिल. अच्छा.
Unfortunately, मैं ब्रांड नेम्स नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, और दिस इज नॉट द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर आई कैन टेल ब्रांड नेम्स, बट दीज आर जेनेरिक मेडिसिन जो जनरली अवेलेबल होते हैं. तो आप वो लगाना शुरू कीजिए, और आप कम से कम मिनिमम 3 से 4 महीना ये लगाना है. उसमें अगर आपको हेयर इंप्रूवमेंट मिलती है तो बहुत बढ़िया, अगर नहीं मिलती है तो भी घबराने की बात नहीं है. कम डाउन टू द क्लिनिक, हम इवेलुएट करेंगे कि क्या और रीजन है आपका, और कुछ और ट्रीटमेंट्स होते हैं जिनको पीआरपी ट्रीटमेंट बोलते हैं, वो करने से तो डेफिनेटली काफी बाल आ ही जाते हैं वापस. तो
अच्छा, बालों में डैंड्रफ के लिए स्किन पिगमेंटेशन तो नहीं होता? लाइक मुझे आफ्टर माय सेकंड बेबी आपको छोटे छोटे वाइट पैचेस हो रखे हैं, बट नॉट ऑल ओवर. मेरे फेस में नहीं है, नेक पे नहीं है, जस्ट मेरे आर्मपिट में है एंड थाइज में. हाँ जी. हेलो,
हेलो,
यस.
Yes, so I don't think I can imagine the white patches. It'll be very nice if you can either, message me the pictures or come down to the clinic, because it is not
Okay.
possible to tell solution of a problem without seeing it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
May I please, sir, आप अपना number flash कर दीजिए ना, ये number बता दीजिए, so that they can call you directly or your secretary's number or whoever.
Okay, brilliant. So I'm just sending the clinic's landline number. You can just give them a call, and they are setting up both teleconsultations as well as landline, real consultations.
Requesting everyone not to ask for skin questions here at this forum, because this is only for hair. And he's a specialist for skin, so you can directly consult with him. Saluja ji, ma'am, are you done with it? Can I go to the next speaker, please? Thank you. Snigdha Balotia ji, I'm unmuting you. Snigdha Balotia ji, you're unmuted.
Yeah, okay. Hello.
Hello, yes, hi.
Yeah, hi. So I have this problem called lichen planus pymaha. So could you kindly advise, sir? I'm losing.
I didn't get you. Please come again.
It is like LPP, they call it lichen planus.
Oh, wow. Okay, right. You have lichen planopylorus. Now, that is an autoimmune disease of hair, जिसमें your immunity is fighting against your own hair के pigment होते हैं, जो हमारा color होता है hair उसके against. So therefore, you will have hair loss on specific regions. And this is the kind of hair loss जिसको हम scarring alopecia बोलते हैं. कहने का मतलब ये है कि उस area में जो hair follicle है और जो उस area की skin है, वो वहां पर इन्फ्लेमेशन की वजह से पूरी तरह खराब हो गई है. तो अगर आपका लाइकन प्लेनोपाइलोरिस जो है वो बायोप्सी करके आइडेंटिफाई हुआ है, तो आई थिंक यू विल हैव टू टेक, यस, तो आपको थोड़ा लंबा ट्रीटमेंट लेना पड़ेगा विद सम टॉपिकल और मे बी ओरल इम्यूनोसप्रेसेंट्स. एंड दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच कैन नॉट बी टोल्ड ऑफ हैंड, बिकॉज इसमें जो मेडिसिन आपको मिलेंगी खाने की और लगाने की, वो आपको प्रॉपर फॉलोअप के साथ करना पड़ेगा. विद treatment we have seen good results to even 40 to 50%. अगर नहीं होता है, then your only option would remain to be do a hair transplantation. But serial biopsies कर करके देखना पड़ेगा कि कितनी एक्टिविटी अभी भी है वहां पर, जो इन्फ्लेमेटरी सेल्स है वो सब देख के ही हम आपको बता सकते हैं. एंड अगर आपको LPP है तो प्लीज डू नॉट put hair dyes, because hair dye and cosmetics are one of the biggest culprits of LPP. तो वो चीज आपको थोड़ा बंद करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, thank you, sir. I will consult you for future.
Perfect. I think it's better that in a condition like LPP is like diabetes. तो वो better रहता है एक long term follow up पे रहना उसके लिए.
Thank you, Balotia ji. Please keep coming back. Sapna Garodia ji, I am unmuting you. Sapna Garodia ji. Just a minute. Please unmute her. Yeah, unmuted.
Good afternoon, Doc. Very informative session. Sir, I
Hi.
want to know these parlor treatments, do they help? Keratin treatments and all?
Okay, brilliant. Thank you for putting this up. I was expecting this to come up any which way. So I'll be very honest with you here. I went down and researched a lot about the parlor treatments, because we are not taught about them in our curriculum. Okay.
Okay.
So what I did was I tried a few of them, and what in my experience and in my patient's experience, now there are three main parlor treatments. One is called as a keratin treatment, one is a cysteine treatment, and one is an Olaplex treatment.
Yes.
In my opinion, cysteine and keratin really damage your hair quite badly. Okay.
Okay.
Because they really involve restructuring of the hair bonds. एक बार जब आप bond, जो आपको हेयर के बॉन्ड जो स्ट्रेंथन करके रख रहे हैं बालों को, अगर आप उनका स्ट्रक्चर ही चेंज कर दोगे तो बाल डेफिनेटली टूटेंगे ही टूटेंगे. तो आई वुडंट रेकमेंड केराटिन एंड सिस्टीन. Coming to Olaplex, it is one of the safer treatments. I would not say if it is completely safe, but between the three, if you have to choose, please go for Olaplex. I can, hands down call it one of the safer treatments amongst the three. But hair spa has absolutely no meaning. Do not go for hair straightening. In fact, 80% of the women who are coming for hair loss treatments, they have gotten hair straightening done at some point of the other. So hair treatment is, so वो तो अगर आपको अपने बालों से प्यार नहीं है तो hair straightening करवाइए. But if choose hair or choose fashion is what your option would be here. But hair straightening definitely causes huge amount of hair loss.
Yeah, I suffered And the other question is, using common brush, does it give dandruff?
I didn't get you. Please come again. Common?
If we use common hairbrush, does it pass dandruff?
Hair brush का कोई भी correlation नहीं है dandruff के साथ. If you have a very dry scalp, you are bound to have dandruff. In the world, about 80% people suffer from dandruff to some extent or the other. So don't worry about dandruff. Hair brush का कोई correlation नहीं है.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Sapna ji. Keep coming back. The next one is Chetu Singhi. Miss Chetu Singhi, I'm unmuting you.
Good morning, Doc.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. Doc, we had a pre-history like 40 years या 50 years के बाद में father का hair fall मतलब baldness है. So do you think कि हम siblings के अंदर में like we are facing the problem of hair fall and male में male pattern 2 आ रहा है. So क्या diet और ये जो आपने Minoxidil जो बोला है क्या हम लोगों के लिए effective होगी? Can we go with these treatments?
Everybody can go for minoxidil and diet because everybody is going to have some or the other form of hair loss after the age of 20-25.
Okay, there is no other. Yeah.
No, absolutely no. I'll tell you very honestly, our parents had a much better lifestyle. इसलिए आप देखोगे they started losing hair by 40, 45. Now I'm seeing boys as young as 20, 23 coming with hair loss issues because genetically तो वो है ही predisposed, genetics तो है ही, plus the bad environment on top of that and the lifestyle on top of that. So हमारे हाथ में जो है वो lifestyle है, minoxidil use करना है और अच्छी diet खाना है. If you do 3 of these things, I think you will be able to get some amount of improvement in your hair for sure.
Okay, and if we all are suffering from thyroid, then क्या minoxidil will affect or not?
See, thyroid में आपको thyroid का treatment पहले लेना है, साथ में minoxidil करना है. Minoxidil cannot negate the effect of thyroid. Thyroid का treatment आपको अलग से करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, thank you, doc.
Thank you, Singhi ji. आप कल आइएगा लेकिन.
Sure, sir. एकदम.
Thank you. Okay, next we have Jain Yash. I'm unmuting you, please.
Hello. Yeah, hi doctor. Like, thanks for the session. So I just wanted to know if the tablet Phenopatia is good for health and one should be consuming it.
Right. Okay. So I think Phenopatia is one of those tablets which are very controversial when it comes to hair loss, especially androgenic alopecia, because if you go and read it online, 80% of the people come back telling me, especially men come back and tell me कि हमें ये नहीं खाना है because the reported side effect is impotence. Now, in my experience, people who have read the side effect, they are bound to have it. It plays in your psyche. But people who don't read the side effect, they don't get that kind of an effect. So, if you are mentally strong, you are not going to get it. But otherwise, Phenopatia 1 mg is a very mild dose. It really does not cause major issue.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and please come back tomorrow. Kavita ji,
sure.
could you please share the link for tomorrow so that they can register and if they have to come back?
Sure. I'll do that.
Okay, next in line is Sharat Malik ji. Thank you. Good to see you, buddy. Take your time. Unmuting you once again. Be unmuted. Unmute हो नहीं रहा यार. हो गया. अरे कोई somebody is muting with me. Unmuted. मोनिका तुम करो ना please. Are you doing it? पता नहीं unmute नहीं हो रहा. It's not happening. Okay, Len. The next in line is Len. Sharat, just hold on here. Yeah, Len, I've unmuted you. Mr. Len or Miss Len, whoever is there, I've unmuted you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Hello. Yes, I can't hear you. Hello.
Good afternoon, doctor.
Yes, tell me.
Can you hear me now?
Slightly, yes. Tell me.
Doctor, what is the duration for which oil can get on the hair? Can we keep oil overnight?
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आपका आवाज कट के आ रहा है पूरा. आप लैपटॉप यूज कर रहे हैं शायद, वहां से आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, just a minute. आई एम अनम्यूटिंग शरद मल्लिक जी. अपने अपने वहां पर देखिए, आप म्यूटिंग ऑप्शन आप शायद बंद कर रखे हैं. I don't know what's happening here. Sheenu Mehra, I'm unmuting you. Please talk.
Hi, doctor.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Very informative session. I really enjoyed today.
Thank you. Yes, tell me how can I
I wanted to know that during winters I have a very dry scalp, and
Okay.
because of that, only in winters I get dandruff, at which it carries for long. So, what
Yeah.
should I do for that?
Please use oil, coconut oil. You can use it every day if you want. Use a good
Okay.
anti-dandruff shampoo that contains something like ketoconazole or zinc pyretinoid, and
Okay.
use a good conditioner and shampoo every day. So I think you will see a much better improvement in the dryness of the scalp.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and please come back tomorrow.
Yeah. Sure.
Kavita, please ask your questions if you've lined up.
Yeah, there are quite a few questions. What is the cause of alopecia and how to reverse it?
Okay, so like I said, everything in hair loss is alopecia. Now you have specific kinds of alopecia. The one that we see is something called as male pattern baldness, which is androgenic alopecia. Something like somebody said she had LPP, that is also an alopecia. So I would like to know what kind of alopecia are we talking of here?
Okay. This question, I'll just see who's asked it. Ashley Rodriguez.
Yes. So I think what he really means here is your male pattern baldness, which is the most common cause of alopecia. And like I said, if you use minoxidil, I think you have a fair chance at improving it, if not reversing it altogether. But you can't reverse it, boss, because it's a genetic condition, just like how diabetes, you can't reverse it, you can treat it. The same goes for your male pattern baldness.
Okay. So next question is, how safe is biotin tablets? Can one take it lifelong?
Biotin is very safe. It's a water soluble mineral. So yeah, you can take it lifelong. No worries there at all.
Can we use curd, aloe vera, vitamin C capsule hair pack before shampoo? Is it okay or not?
Yeah. So look, there are many kinds of home remedies and hair packs. So you can make your own hair pack, making use of eggs, curd, vinegar, apple cider vinegar, even oatmeal and all that, provided you use it for the right reason. If you are expecting the homemade packs to give you a full-blown lush of hair, that's not going to happen. But yes, you can use them as a conditioner to make your hair more shinier, more bouncy, and less tangled. So please go ahead, use them. Only caution to the wind here would be that if you have itchiness on the scalp, if you have a very dry scalp, and if you use things like lemon juice and apple cider vinegar, you actually might increase the itchiness. So make sure that you take these factors in account before trying a home remedy.
Is Gain solution good to reduce hair fall?
Gain is one of the brand names for minoxidil. Yes, it is used for hair loss.
Okay. What is the hair safety in swimming if somebody has dry curly hair?
So the only safety is use a hair cap while swimming, which most people ignore. So please shampoo your hair very, very well after swimming. Use a good conditioner after that. And you can use, there's something called a deep conditioning, in which you can actually first apply a conditioner, use a dryer to make sure that the conditioner goes well into the hair shaft, then shampoo, and then use the conditioner again. So these are the kind of precautions you can take if you're a swimmer.
Okay. Next question is, my son is 22 years old. How to combat fungal infection?
Okay, so if there is a fungal infection, you definitely need to take oral antifungals. You need to apply antifungal ointment, use an antifungal shampoo. Make sure nobody in the family has fungal infection. Most common causes are domestic maids. You have to treat them as well, because fungal infections are fairly contagious. And you have to treat everybody in the family who's having that kind of a disease. So yes, please visit the doctor, get a prescription of good antifungal capsules and good antifungal lotions and creams.
If flaking is seen from scalp, how to identify whether it is dandruff or anything else?
See, the only thing flaking which could be is psoriasis. So if you have small flakes which are only present when you are brushing your hand, it's most likely dandruff. But if there are very sticky scales which are like an entire big patch is forming, and I'm share the screen right now. Can I have a screen sharing? So I'll show a picture of how scalp psoriasis
आप
looks.
host हो भाई, आप कर सकते हो.
So I'm going to do that. One sec. So okay, so this is how this is also flaking, but this is scalp psoriasis. You can see that the scales are very thick and there's a lot of redness behind that. So I think that is where we understand it is not just dandruff. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, you can ask the question now.
Okay. Does scalp sweating accelerate hair fall?
Does?
Scalp sweating accelerate hair fall?
Not really. But yes, if you're sweating a lot, there are good chances that can develop infection in the scalp, which may cause hair loss later. But sweating is not directly related to hair loss.
So, okay, there's another question. If you feel occasional pain in the base of your hair or scalp, what is the reason behind it?
Well, you could very, very simply be having a very sensitive scalp. There could even be a neurological issue. So if it is a very recurrent kind of a thing, you might want to visit our neurologist as well.
एक minute. Guys, please raise your hands. I will come back to you in a while. We'll finish these questions and come back to you. Please raise your hands and be in queue. We'll get back to you soon. Yeah, continue, Kavita.
Yeah. How can one prevent hair fall after menopause?
Okay, so the best solution would be to either go on a hormone replacement therapy. The second best solution would be to use minoxidil, and please go for something which we call as a vampire treatment or PRP treatment. It works wonderfully for people who have menopausal issue. It's a very simple treatment. We take about 15 to 20 ml of your blood. Then we concentrate some growth factors out of it and they're injected onto the scalp. It is done generally once in a month or once in 2 months. Roughly takes about 6 of these sessions and you definitely have a very, very good improvement. So please do PRP treatment for menopausal women. That is really, really what it is.
Reason or solution for crown area baldness? Crown area.
There's no reason. That is a genetic hair loss. You are going to have it if you have a tendency for that. So there's no reason other than bad genetics here.
There's one more long question. I think it has been answered, but still I'll just read it out. How far will it affect hair fall for applying hair dye to color hair black with very good hair dyes, not containing ammonia? What are the other side effects for such applications to the scalp or hair?
I think we've answered this question. We've answered.
Yes,
you want to address this further?
Yeah. So I'll just tell one thing here. One, if you're going to put hair dye, it is something not natural. Definitely, it is going to cause some amount of hair loss for sure. Coming to other side effects, even if it is ammonia free, it can still have PPPD, which can cause you a lot of irritation and even bad pigmentation all over face and neck. So yeah, so hair dyes are not particularly very, very safe.
One more. Can frizzy hair be changed to normal hair texture with any home or?
Yeah, you can do that. You have to go for keratin, cysteine, hair straightening kind of solutions. But as a doctor, I don't have a solution for that. I'm sorry.
Okay, in continuation to this question, there's another question. Ek minute. Okay. I have frizzy hair and somewhat dry. Hair fall is a constant problem. However, I have stopped using hair dyes since last 2 years. After that, hair fall is still better, but the problem still remains. Please help.
Look, if frizzy hair per se is not a cause of hair loss. If you feel that frizzy hair is causing hair loss, maybe use a conditioner that will take the frizz out of the hair. You can use Olaplex 3, 4, and 5, which is the hair care for frizzy hair. Olaplex 3 is a overnight serum. Olaplex 3, 4 is a shampoo, and Olaplex 5 is a conditioner. Use that. If you still feel you are having hair loss, then probably there's an internal reason to it, which needs to be addressed, and then you'll definitely have an improvement there.
Okay, continue, Kavita ji.
Yeah. How far is it advisable to take Folly hair tablets?
You can keep on taking it for good 6-7 months. No worries there.
What to do if one is already using hair colors for last so many years?
Keep using it if you don't have an issue. There's no worries there.
Then there's, when we apply hair pack, should we oil our hair first or later?
Use oil first because it will form a protective layer on your hair.
That's, I think, almost answers all the
I've received
questions.
some questions privately if you want me to answer them.
There is one more. Perimenopause hair dryness. It has just
I
come
think
up
I
like
answered
that.
that. Use a lot of hair oil and take hormone replacement therapy. Take estrogen. That'll help.
अच्छा डॉक्टर साहब आपके घर में रामू है क्या?
क्या?
रामू है रामू. नॉर्मली रहता है हर मारवाड़ी घर में एक रामू होता है.
नहीं हमारे पास नहीं है रामू अभी.
कुछ चाय वाय मंगवा लीजिए बिकॉज़ बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हमारे पास भी पेंडिंग है और कुछ हाथ अब खड़े होने शुरू हो रहे हैं.
Okay, let's start.
One more.
Don't worry.
Yeah, बोलिए कविता जी.
Yeah. Can I oil my hair if I have dermatitis?
I wouldn't recommend. Don't do that. If at all you have to oil, maybe apply it for about 15-20 minutes and then wash.
Excellent.
There are many questions related to oiling. Is keeping hair oiled full time good? Keeping oil overnight, what
I
is the
think 1
impact?
hour is more than enough. Overnight doesn't make any sense. Keep it for an hour, maybe, not more than that.
Thank you.
Okay. Next question. I'm unmuting Nidhi ji. There you are unmuted.
Hello, doctor. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Ah, yes. Tell me, Nidhi.
डॉक्टर अभी मिनटॉक एंड पॉली हेयर लेने के बाद भी बाल गिरने कम नहीं हो रहे हैं.
कितने दिन आपने यूज किया है वो?
पॉली हेयर एक डिब्बा पूरा फिनिश हो चुका है एंड मिनटॉक ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश हो चुका है.
एक डब्बा
ब्रोका पिक्स भी यूज किया है.
एक डब्बा ना. आपको कम से कम 3 महीना वेट करना पड़ेगा. बिल्कुल खेती की तरह होते हैं बाल. मिनिमम 3 months आपको वेट करना है बिफोर यू टेक अ कॉल कि ट्रीटमेंट काम किया कि नहीं किया. बहुत पेशेंस रखनी पड़ती है.
ओके बिकॉज़ एक मुट्ठी रोज बाल गिरा केराटिन
एक महीना इज नथिंग. इनफैक्ट मिनॉक्सिडिल लगाने के बाद शुरू में आपके ज्यादा बाल गिरेंगे. तो डोंट वरी. मिनिमम अभी 2 महीना और ट्राई कीजिए. उसके बाद भी अगर नहीं इम्प्रूव होता है तब कोई और ट्रीटमेंट सोचा जा सकता है.
ओके थैंक यू.
ओके थैंक यू.
अच्छा, I'm unmuting Shreya ji. Shreya Jain ji, you are unmuted.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Hi, Shreya.
Hi. So yeah, actually, I have a problem with Swarovski, and I think this can be a major reason for my hair fall.
Look,
Is there any
psoriasis.
treatment that you can, suggest me for the same? A shampoo or something that you can suggest me
Right.
for the same?
Psoriasis per se is not a reason for hair loss, but what happens is if you have psoriasis, you tend to rub your hair a lot more. You tend to comb them a lot more to get rid of the, scales and everything. So
The
yes,
itchiness,
yeah. You can experience more of hair breakage. Coming to treatment of psoriasis, you should use a shampoo that contains coal tar. You should use a shampoo that contains salicylic acid. So a formulation based on these two things would really help you with your scalp psoriasis.
Okay. No, but like in recent times, I'm having a major hair fall. So like Swarovski is
How old
not the
are you?
reason for that, for the same,
How
right?
old are you?
I'm just 23. I'm 23.
Were you having like any major stress due to your studies or anything other than that?
Yeah, a bit like that's up and down.
Yeah. So mostly in young girls, what I feel that stress is one of the biggest cause of hair loss. Also get your iron levels checked and see if you have any issues with the irregularity of periods or not, something like that, because PCOD is also a very common cause of hair loss in girls as young as 23. So look into those factors, but be assured psoriasis is not a cause for your hair.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shreya ji. Please come back tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Alok Mata ji, I'm unmuting you.
Sir, आपसे ये पूछना था, ये विमेन्स लोगों के जो है ये अपर लिप्स का प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो ये क्या हेरिडिटरी है, जेनेटिक है, या ऐसा कैसे ट्रीटमेंट हो सकता है?
Okay, so are we taking this question?
ये स्किन का क्वेश्चन है ना, ठीक है आप ले लीजिए स्पेशल केस, बट
Right. So चलो ये चीटिंग अलाउड है बिकॉज बात तो बालों की हो रही है यहाँ पर भी. So in fact, एक होता है कि there are people, it's just a funny thing that I had this gentleman who said कि डॉक्टर साहब मेरे सिर पे बाल नहीं है पर छाती पे इतने बाल हैं, कुछ ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि ये बाल इधर से उधर चले जाएं. So this is funny because unwanted hair is a big problem for women and especially upper lip जो होता है. तो देखिए अगर अपर लिप की प्रॉब्लम है और अगर बाल बहुत मोटे हैं और बहुत ज्यादा है तो डेफिनेटली आप एक बार उनका हार्मोन टेस्ट कराइए, बिकॉज हो सकता है मेल हार्मोन ज्यादा हो बॉडी में जिसकी वजह से वो बाल बहुत ज्यादा हो. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, उसका जो परमानेंट सोल्यूशन होता है वो सिर्फ एक है, उसको बोलते हैं लेजर हेयर रिडक्शन, जिससे आप 6 से 8 सेशंस में बाल पतले हो जाते हैं, गायब नहीं होते हैं, एकदम पतले हो जाते हैं जो दिखते नहीं है. तो वो एक कराया जा सकता है. मेरे हिसाब से थ्रेडिंग या वैक्सिंग से काफी डैमेज होता है, वो नहीं करना चाहिए, उससे उस एरिया को शेव कर लेना बेटर.
सर एक क्वेश्चन और आपसे पूछना था.
हाँ जी
आलोक जी, बहुत लाइन लगी हुई है, पूछिए.
सर आपने ये बार बार रिपीट किया है कि प्रॉपर डाइट जो है वो बहुत जरूरी है हेयर लॉस से बचने के लिए, तो व्हाट इज दैट प्रॉपर डाइट?
See, proper diet depends upon your requirements. If you आपको क्या चीज की कमी है शरीर में, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि मेनली विटामिन्स, मल्टी मिनरल्स, आयरन, सिलेनियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, ये होने चाहिए है डाइट में. आपके डाइट में प्रोटीन की क्वांटिटी राइट होनी चाहिए है, स्पेशली वेजिटेरियन डाइट में, क्योंकि जनरली प्रोटीन का सिर्फ एक सोर्स होता है वेजिटेरियन डाइट में और वो होता है दाल. तो वो सब चीज़ों का आपको ख्याल रखना है. जंक फूड कम करना है, बिकॉज जंक फूड से हमारी बॉडी में एक फ्री रेडिकल नाम की चीज़ होती है जो प्रोड्यूस होती है, और वो फ्री रेडिकल्स जो होते हैं बहुत हद तक बालों को डैमेज करते हैं. एंड तीसरी चीज़ जो मैं बहुत कॉमन देख रहा हूँ, जो डाइट से रिलेटेड नहीं है, बट आई थिंक दिस इज द राइट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर मी टू टेल, इज दैट यंगस्टर्स में जो हम बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर लॉस देख रहे हैं, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट फैक्टर इज स्मोकिंग. So I think smoking directly makes sure that आपका जो DNA है वो shrink हो जाए और आपके बाल और आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा deteriorate करती है. So I would highly recommend, especially young children of today, not to smoke because that really causes a lot of issues.
Okay, thank you, Alok ji. Thank you so much. Now I'm unmuting out of the way Rajesh Agarwal. He is the reason why you are here, Dr. Sir.
I know. Rajesh ji कहाँ पर हैं?
I've just unmuted him.
हाय सर कैसे हो भाई?
अरे राजेश जी क्या हाल है आपके?
बस मजे में है सर, आप कैसे हो?
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
अच्छा, मेरे को बाल तो आप देख ही रहे हो, जो फॉल होना है वो तो हो गया, कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका, और कोई रेमेडी भी नहीं चाहिए.
करवाना नहीं चाहते, हम करवा देंगे एकदम. हाँ की
नहीं सर, कोई रेमेडी नहीं चाहिए, खाली डैंड्रफ बहुत है, उसका कोई होम रेमेडी बताइए. मेडिसिन लेने की कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
अरे होम रेमेडीज में तो जो आप कर सकते हैं, आप ओट मील्स लीजिए, ओट मील्स को पानी में भिगो के ग्राइंड कर दीजिए, उसमें
आई हेट दैट ओट मील यार.
हाँ,
आई हेट ओट मील्स.
तो खाने को नहीं दे रहा हूँ, लगाने को दे रहा हूँ.
अरे खाने का बता. अच्छा, लगाने को दे रहे हो तब ठीक है.
खाने को दे रहा हूँ यार, लगाने को दे रहा हूँ मैं, आपको खाने को नहीं दे रहा हूँ मैं.
अच्छा
तो
बताइए फिर तब.
1 कप ओटमील को भिगोइए, उसको ग्राइंड कीजिए, उसमें थोड़ा सा बटर मिल्क या लस्सी डालिए, थोड़ा सा एप्पल साइडर विनेगर डालिए और बालों पे लगा लो उसको. देख, एक बार लगा के आधा 1 घंटा रखिए कभी भी, और उसके बाद फिर नॉर्मल एक एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू से शैम्पू कर दीजिए, उसको फर्क पड़ जाएगा.
ओके, एंड हाउ मेनी डेज इन अ वीक?
ये आप हफ्ते में 2 या 3 बार कर सकते हैं.
2-3 बार ना? दिस विल हेल्प. और कोई रेमेडी, और दिस इज द ओनली रेमेडी, होम रेमेडी?
शैम्पू आते हैं सेल्सुन करके या स्कैल्प लोशन करके, वो आप यूज कर सकते हैं.
स्कैल्प आई एम यूजिंग. स्कैल्प
विल हेल्प. स्कैल्प आप यूज कर सकते हो, अच्छा है वो.
Okay, चलो, will not take much of time, lot of questions. Thanks Jetsi. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Next, Anuja Bhattat ji. Anuja Bhattat ji, I'm unmuting you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for a very informative session, doctor.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, hi Anuja, tell me.
Okay, doctor, मुझे thyroid है. I'm thyroid patient from past 7 years, and I'm taking pills like 100 mg की pills ले रही हूँ मैं अभी.
Okay.
And अभी में बहुत ज्यादा hair loss, वो भी सामने के बालों का सबसे ज्यादा हो रहा है.
Okay.
Front part.
Okay.
तो उसके लिए क्या मतलब I have tried homeopathic, I have tried allopathic, and I have tried Ayurvedic also. So please.
अनुजा जी, आपकी एज क्या है? अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे पूछना पड़ रहा है, पूछना नहीं चाहिए, बट
It's okay, doctor. It's 41.
41. Look, अगर आपको इस एज में हो रहा है तो मे बी वंस आप अपना थायराइड लेवल दोबारा चेक कराइए.
Yeah, I have checked. Actually, before 3 months, I have checked. It is like वही था 100 की मैं पिल जो ले रही हूँ दवाई. I'm taking that pill.
ओके. सो सेकंड चीज है, आप अपना आयरन लेवल चेक कराइए, बिकॉज आयरन की कमी होना भी बहुत कॉमन कॉज है हेयर लॉस का. तीसरी चीज है, मिनॉक्सिडिल लगाना शुरू कर दीजिए, उससे काफी हद तक आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट आना शुरू हो जाएगा.
एंड सिर्फ सामने ही के बालों में स्कैल्प में लगाना है या पूरे ओवरऑल पूरे
स्कैल्प में लगाइए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पूरे स्कैल्प में लगाइए. मेक श्योर कि आपका इंटायर स्कैल्प जो है वो कवर होना चाहिए उससे.
ओके, मिनॉक्सिडिल. ओके. So daily I have to apply.
Yes. और पॉली हेयर करके कैप्सूल आता है, वो खाना शुरू कीजिए.
Okay. Poly. Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Before we go to the next series of questions, कुछ पानी वानी पी लो ना भाई.
अरे मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ, रखा हुआ है मैंने बॉटल साथ में.
अच्छा तब ठीक है. चलो next question. If a person around 40 years has turned totally bald over the years, is there any chance of a new growth or a regrowth?
40? If you're totally bald, please go for hair transplantation because 40 is the new 20. और इस एज में ऐसे घूमने का मतलब नहीं है. आंख बंद करके प्लीज ट्रांसप्लांट करा लीजिए.
और उसके 10 साल बाद 50 वाले में जो है कैटेगरी में,
उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है लाइफ में कितना जोश बचा है. अगर चाहिए बाल तो कराइए, अगर जी सकते हैं बिना उसके तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
मेरे काफी दोस्त लोग हैं. There's good news for you still. Don't give up hope. Okay. My son, 22 years old, how to combat fungal infection?
I think I've taken this already.
Very good. I just thought I'll repeat the question. I am a mother of 2 and post delivery of the first one, that is 6 years, I noticed grey hair and hair fall. Since then, the problem has aggravated. This also is answered? Or you want to answer it separately?
Yeah, I think grey hair you can't do much about, but if you've had hair loss after pregnancy, and it is still continuing, maybe you have something which is called as chronic telogen effluvium. The only remedy to this is using minoxidil, 5% every day for the rest of your life.
Excellent. That means pregnancy and hair fall related होता है क्या?
एकदम होता है. 80% ladies को pregnancy के बाद hair loss होता है because pregnancy is a lot of stress on your body, and stress is a very, very big cause of hair loss.
And you already said the remedy now, because again this question has come up. The remedy is already given. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thyroid is cause for is it a concern or cause of topic?
It is a big concern. Yes, thyroid causes hair loss. Lack of thyroid causes a lot of hair loss.
Okay, good. My hair is very thin. That is, each strand is very thin. In spite of deep conditioning, my hair is always frizzy and tangled. How to resolve this? I think you've addressed this.
I think I've addressed this more or less. Yes.
Okay. Is stem cell therapy effective for growing new hair?
One sec. Chai de do. Yeah. Stem cell therapy is bogus. Don't waste your money in stem cell therapy at all, because the only stem cells that will work for human beings is human stem cell, and we don't have permission to use them. So don't waste your money in stem cells at all.
Okay, great. Next question is how to keep curly hair tangle free.
Use a good conditioner. Get your go to a parlor, get them keratinized or something, but you be worried that you can have hair loss after that.
Okay. So what is this split hair जो होते हैं ना, split hairs, वो क्यों होते हैं?
Split hair क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि with time our hair का जो outer layer है, जिसको हम shaft बोलते हैं, hair का cortex बोलते हैं, वो weak हो जाता है, and वो जो सबसे weakest area है, which is the end of hair, वहाँ से टूट जाता है 2 भागों में. So the only thing you can do for split hair is good shampooing, good conditioning, eating well, and getting regular trims. If you're not going to trim it, it is going to continue.
Okay. How successful are the results of hair transplant in younger people?
It depends upon your transplant surgeon, very frankly.
आप करते हो क्या?
नहीं, I don't do it, but I refer them to people I trust. So there are a couple of them across country who I refer people to.
Good. Frankly asking, does transplant of hair for 40 years man affects his sex life? As I have heard that every month injection is given to that man to keep his hair intact. It is the reaction which has implications on physical life.
Zero. Please get a transplant done. There are no such injections which are given after transplant which are going to affect your sex life. So don't worry about it.
आपने उनकी लाइफ बचा दी भाई साहब. जो भी है, thank you. How good is keratin treatment for hair? How can we do it?
I've answered that in detail. Yeah.
ये होता कैसे वैसे keratin treatment?
See, basically they use a lot of keratins. Basically बालों में bonds होते हैं जिसकी वजह से बाल जो होते हैं वो किसी के जब bonds ज्यादा होते हैं तो बाल कर्ली हो जाते हैं और फ्रिजी हो जाते हैं. तो बेसिकली वो केराटिन से वो बालों के वो बॉन्ड्स तोड़ के उसके ऊपर वो एक लेयर बिठाते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं केराटिन ट्रीटमेंट.
तो वो क्या परमानेंट होता है कि अगेन यू हैव टू गो बैक अगेन फॉर इट?
वो जब तक वो बाल रहता है तब तक वो रहते हैं. जैसे बाल झड़ता है तो जो नया बाल आता है वो उसमें नहीं होता है, कुछ भी परमानेंट नहीं है.
तो ये केराटिन ट्रीटमेंट कॉस्ट क्या होना चाहिए अप्रोक्सीमेटली अगर कराता है कोई?
दिस इज अ स्पा ट्रीटमेंट, दिस इज अ पार्लर ट्रीटमेंट.
ओके, गुड. होम रेमेडी फॉर डैंड्रफ आपने बताई दिया, अभी आंसर मिल चुका वाला. Views on different types of their colors available in the market. Are they safe? Can we use dye? How safe is it? There are studies which mention that dye in hair cancer, especially for lymphoma. Now, this is answered. Yeah.
There is no such correlation.
There is no relationship, and we have discussed the topic of dye. Or you want to touch again?
No. I think we've discussed in much detail.
Okay. Too much itching in scalp due to sweating in summer. What to do?
Take more baths and don't wear a cap or something.
Okay. What is alopecia? Discuss हो गया. ये बहुत important question है. My neighbor has requested a query. His daughter, aged 17, had typhoid 2 years ago. Since then, her hair has thinned down, and her volume decreased considerably. Other health parameters are okay. Any advice?
See, it's same thing as pregnancy. Typhoid has a lot of stress on the body. So that causes hair loss. If the hair loss does not recover in 3 months' time, you definitely have progressed into a chronic telogen state. You need to go to your dermatologist, get minoxidil or even PRP treatments done to break out of that chronic phase and get more hair.
Great. Does the length of the hair has any impact on hair fall specific in case of men?
No, not at all.
Is PRP an effective treatment? The question is answered already.
Yes.
Doc, practically seen in the effect of PRP lasts only while it's done and continued. So, are maintenance needed? If yes, how often?
This is a very valid question. See, there is no treatment which is permanent when it comes to hair and skin. Okay. So PRP initially we do like what I do in my practice is we start off with once in a month PRP for 3 sessions, then once in 2 months for 3 sessions, then once in 3 months. And then we go to a point where people come to me say once or twice a year for their maintenance sessions. So maintenance तो लगेगा, but वो maintenance कितना लगेगा वो depend करता है कि आपका growth कैसा है, उसके ऊपर depend करता है.
Okay, great. So I am unmuting Anuja Bhattar ji. आपका हो गया क्या? शायद इनका हो गया. Vidhi ji, I'm unmuting you.
Hello.
Hi Vidhi.
Hi. Most of the questions has been already answered, and it is a really informative session. Just one question I want to know. Hello.
Yes. I'm hearing you. Tell me.
Just the back side of my ear, behind it, I am developing small bald patches. I don't know why is it happening. My hair is falling from the sidelines behind the head.
So, yeah, you could be having something called as seborrheisis. It's a severe form of dandruff. So do send me a picture or come to the clinic. I definitely will help you with a good treatment with that. And there's nothing to worry per se, but it is very, very easily treatable.
Okay.
अगर आप जाए इनके पास तो बोलेगा पापा जी सी टॉक शो से आए हैं, शायद डिस्काउंट मिल जाए.
अच्छा. But thank you. And my hair is thin, becoming thin day by day. It's all
Yeah.
because of that
So
only.
it could be, or it could be a simple aging process. So you can start putting minoxidil, will help you.
But she's not sounding more than 16. I don't know how you judged her age.
Maybe.
That is, I think you would say that to everybody. I think so.
No. आप जूते गिराओगे. मेरी wife बैठी है.
Age is just a number. Age is just a number. One
Precisely.
should be, young at heart.
Thank you. Thank you, Vidiji. Come back tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Next, we have unmuted Krishan Kant. Krishan Kant ji, unmuting you. Krishan Kant ji, are you there?
Hello.
Hello, hi. Yes, tell me.
So I have 2-3 questions. Like once I have treated my hair with the straightening treatment.
With the
straightening treatment, hair straightening.
Yes.
Before that, my hair was very smooth, but after that treatment, it has become a bit rough. That is 5 years back I have done this.
Okay.
But the roughness is still there.
Okay.
How to remove that, sir?
I think you've gone to a very bad place where you've done a hair straightening done, because generally it doesn't last that long. But if it has lasted that long, now maybe the only thing you can do is go get Olaplex 3, 4, and 5. Start doing that. You will see that your dryness will go back, and start using oil maybe once or twice a week.
Okay. And sir, one more thing. Like I'm having long hair and I sweat a lot. So there is too much of sweating on my scalp.
Yes. So for that, you have to shampoo almost every day. There's no other option here.
And like my daughter is having a very thin hair, sir.
How old is she?
She's 8 years.
Too young to comment. Yeah, let her be. Once she's 14, 15, that is the time we take a call on what to do. Second thing is whatever hair that a person is born with, you can't change the genetics of it. So I would recommend not to worry about it, and definitely not tell her about it. Because children do tend to get very conscious of these things at this age. In fact, 80% of times I have to counsel the mothers not to tell their daughters about the hair length, about the hair thickness, or the hair frizziness or something, because children can get conscious. So let it be. And once she's 14 and 15, that is the time you take a call on things like this.
Thank you, sir. Sir, even for my son also, he's 10 years old.
Yeah, don't worry. बहुत छोटे हैं बच्चे, उनको खेलने कूदने दो, 15-16 साल के होंगे तब वालों के बारे में सोचो.
मैडम जी, आपने तो पूरा परिवार का करवा लिया.
Can't help it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं. डॉक्टर साहब, अपना नंबर आप देते रहिए, because काफी लोग बार-बार पूछ रहे हैं. आपका नंबर डालते रहिएगा. प्रियंका जी, I'm unmuting you. Priyanka ji, I'm unmuting you.
Yes. Hello, doctor.
Hello, hi. Yes, tell me.
Yes, actually, I have a family history of scanty hair from my side of the family. Okay. And now my son is 24 and he's already losing a lot of hair, like right in the center of the head and the receding hairline, that the way you said for the men which have the side balding on the sides. So he's already started getting that. So what can help him? Can you suggest something?
एक तो आप प्लीज उसको लेकर आइए, क्योंकि उसका इलाज जो है वो लंबा चलेगा. सेकंड, स्टार्ट हिम ऑन मिनॉक्सिडिल 5% दिन में 2 बार करके, और एक हेयर फैक्ट करके कैप्सूल आते हैं, HIRFACT, वो मंगवा लीजिए, जो उसको मिनिमम 3 महीना खाना है अभी.
अच्छा, वो यहाँ पे नहीं है. He is in Singapore actually. He does not stay here.
और सिंगापुर में तो उसको पूछिए अगर ओवर द काउंटर मिनॉक्सिडिल मिल जाता है उसको. तो
वो मिनॉक्सिडिल उसका क्या डोजेज बताऊं?
5% मिनॉक्सिडिल अगर मिल जाता है तो उसको बोलिए वो लगाना शुरू करेगा.
अच्छा, एवरी डे?
एवरी डे, यस.
एंड वो हेयर फैक्ट जो है टैबलेट, वो
हेयर फैक्ट आई डोंट नो इफ सिंगापुर में मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. तो जब भी वो इंडिया आता है या आप जाते हैं तो लेके जाइएगा यहाँ से 3-4 महीने का डब्बा.
व्हाट इज द डोजेज फॉर दैट?
वो एक पूरा पैक आता है, उसमें लिखा रहता है, हर एक दिन के 2 कैप्सूल होते हैं उसमें. मैडम जी, उनको फोन कर लीजिए, इजी होगा आपके लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. आप अपने बेटे को नंबर दे दीजिए, वो बेटर रहेगा, so that I can directly talk to him.
Okay, thank you. We have Seema Dagaji. Seema Dagaji, I have unmuted you.
Thank you very much, and good afternoon, doctor. Very informative session. You were talking about PRP treatment for hair.
Yes.
Does it have any side effects?
No, other than it could be a little painful for people. So we give topical anesthesia लगा के हम करते हैं cream वगैरह लगा के. But other than that, there are no side effects if you do it in a proper place. Now, of course, I have seen जिसमें लोग जाके कहीं करा के आए थे and then पूरा scalp में ऐसे boils वगैरह निकल के आए. So that is because उन्होंने वो proper precautions और जो एक antiseptic area रखना होता है वैसा रखा नहीं हुआ था. But other than that, I have never seen a complication arising out of PRP. It is, in fact, because वो आपके blood से ही लेकर हम कर रहे हैं, so it is one of the most safest treatments ever for hair.
And what about people who are on blood thinners? Are they advisable to go for that?
Look, if you're on blood thinners, तो आपका platelet count हमें देखना पड़ेगा. अगर platelet count ठीक है, तो आप करा सकते हैं. अगर platelet count ठीक नहीं है, तो नहीं कर सकते.
Okay. And what about role of omega-3 capsules for hair?
The omega-3 will improve the, what should I say, shine and luster of your hair, not give you density.
So between biotin and omega-3, biotin is better.
Generally, you should take both. You should take both.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank
you, Sivaji.
Thanks.
I'm unmuting Monica Parasrapuria ji. मोनिका जी, अच्छा एक मिनट अनम्यूट करते हैं. एक मिनट अनम्यूट क्यों? हाँ हुआ. बोलिए जी.
Good afternoon, Dr. Sir. My daughter is 15 years old. She is losing hair for the past 2 years, just where she does the middle parting, just in front of that. And probably they used to do one pony in school. Was it because it was too tight for her or something
like that?
Yes,
so tight pony is the biggest cause of hair loss in children, because if you put your pony too tight, you end up losing hair from here. So there's not much you can do about it right now, because the hair has fallen from its root. But ask her never to tie her hair very, very tightly.
Okay, no solution right now.
Yeah, just send me a picture of a hairline and I'll be able to help you much better with that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Monica ji. अरे कविता जी, क्या questions रह गए? सर को 1 घंटा और 40 मिनट हो गया.
There are 2 more questions. I'll just I am a 26-year-old. How to best combat dermatitis of the scalp? I have zits on my scalp. I also have male pattern baldness with no hormonal imbalance.
Okay. 26 years old female, right?
Yeah, 26-year-old female.
Right. Look, if you are having these kind of issues, there's a good chance कि आपका hormonal issue है. Please visit a gynecologist, get your PCOD workup done, get an ultrasound, get the blood workup done, and see वो है कि नहीं है. So they will give you some hormonal treatment that will really help you with your kind of pattern of baldness, also with your zits and all that. But अगर आपके scalp में बहुत सारे zits हो रहे हैं, तो you might be having a very severe form of dandruff, which needs to be treated with oral medicines. So you have to take those oral medicines, and within about a week to 2, you will feel much better. But for that, unfortunately, those medicines have a lot of effect on your immunity and all that. So वो देने से पहले we have to do your thorough evaluation कि कितना दे सकते हैं, कितना नहीं दे सकते हैं. So good that you've reached out, but now you know कि इसका treatment है और आप आके करवा सकते हैं. Unfortunately, I can't tell the treatment on a platform like this for this one.
Next question.
Okay. Does water of any area affect the hair? Should we use RO water, less salty water?
Right. So I know for a fact that Kolkata may I get patients like this who live in areas where there's a lot of high concentration of heavy minerals, like iron बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. So in those areas, definitely people see much more hair loss than other areas. So definitely it makes sense for you to use RO water. अगर आप उस area में रह रहे हैं जहाँ के पानी में बहुत ज़्यादा iron है या फिर lead है या फिर इस तरह के heavy salts हैं.
For diabetics, is there any advice for hair dye?
Yeah. So अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा high sugar है, so please use hair dyes that are free of PPPD. The brand names for them are things like Vegetal or Altris HD, or so these are the 2 most commonly, or Cutie Color. So use these kind of hair dyes.
I think rest all have been more or less answered.
Excellent. Harish, I'm unmuting you. Harish, पूछिए.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. Hello.
Hi, Harish. Tell me.
Good afternoon. Yeah. Which one is the best dye to use?
Discuss. Harish, you are late to drop the line.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं, शुरू से मैं हूँ. इन्होंने कोई डाई का ये नहीं बताया कि किस तरह की डाई बेस्ट रहती है इसमें.
I told you ना कि जिस डाई में आपका PPPD और अमोनिया नहीं रहता वो बेस्ट डाई होता है.
अमोनिया फ्री.
अमोनिया एंड PPPD फ्री, ट्रिपल PD फ्री.
देखो भाई हम तो डाई करते नहीं है इसलिए हमको आइडिया नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू हरीश. थैंक यू सो मच.
There are two more questions which has come.
Just a minute. Sanchita Gupta ji, I am unmuting you. Unmuted. एक मिनट. संचिता गुप्ता जी अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है. पता नहीं कुछ अनम्यूट में हाँ हो गया.
Hello.
हाँ.
Hello. Yes, doctor. I wanted to ask, can hard water cause male baldness?
Hard water will not cause male pattern baldness. It will simply cause more hair falling. So if somebody has a male pattern baldness और वो hard water को use कर रहा है तो definitely ज़्यादा बाल गिरेंगे.
Okay. So actually, I have a friend who actually has a part with this hard water, and he has developed a patch right on the crown of the head. So
He has a genetic tendency to lose hair. He just has to start taking the lotion and taking the capsule, and he'll start seeing improvement. Ask him to use RO water to clean his hair.
Is there any home remedy that they can use? Any Ayurvedic?
No.
All right. Okay, I have one more question. Can I ask?
Yeah, please.
Is 2-in-1 shampoo really worth it? As in like shampoo and conditioner, if you use that?
You should use the shampoo and a conditioner. I think I've gone through that entirely, that doing shampooing and conditioning really helps your hair, but not too much of it, as many times a week as your hair requires. Some people might need it every day.
Shampoo that is having a mixture of shampoo and conditioner both.
You can use it. Yeah. By all means.
Okay. By the way, we have a special group on WhatsApp. If you're not a member of it, send me a message on my phone number. I'll add you there. You'll be updated on daily events and their IDs. My number is 98300292224. I repeat, 98300292224. Next, Kavita ji, next question, please.
Yeah. So the next question is, can minoxidil be applied to high BP patient?
Not really. Look, minoxidil, ideally the dose that we give minoxidil for, it's a very low dose. It is not supposed to cause any issues to BP and all that, but why take a chance? So I wouldn't really see, hair is not as important as your life. So if you have very high BP, don't use minoxidil.
Next.
I think this might have been answered, but I'll just read out the question. Parlors advocate hair spas monodose treatment. How effective is it? And how bad is using a hair straightener daily if one has very frizzy hair?
Don't use a hair straightener. You are going to kill your hair. Instead, just go for regular shampooing and conditioning. Use Olaplex 345. That is better. If you're using too much of hot irons and tongs to your hair, you're definitely damaging a lot more.
I think that answers it all. कुछ है क्या कविता जी और?
No, one more. What is the age a person can get back natural hair with remedies?
I didn't get you.
What is the age one can get back natural hair with remedies?
I don't think there's an age or something like that here. If your hair root is still intact, you can get your hair back with non-surgical remedies for sure.
One more thing, when parlors advocate monodose treatment, how effective is it?
One, I don't even know what monodose treatment is. I have no clue, because these parlors, they keep on coming with something new every day. It's impossible to keep a track with them. So, it's like a luck of draw. You want to take it or you don't want to take it. It's your call. I wouldn't recommend anything.
Okay. Now, they say that when you apply shampoo, you rinse your hair, right? Your head.
Yeah.
But when you apply conditioner, you don't apply it on the scalp. Or you put it on the hair, is it?
Not really.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Make sure that your entire length of the hair is covered by the conditioner. That's all is required.
Okay. I have Seema Baid. I am unmuting Seema Baid. You can ask a question. Just a minute. Yeah, unmuted.
Hello, doctor. Hi, JC.
Hi, yes.
Hi, Seema. How are you?
I'm good. Doctor, it was a very good session that we are going through, and thanks to JC for all this. Doctor, I just
call me Papa JC at this platform.
Papa JC. I just wanted to ask, you were just suggesting Olaplex 345. So where can I get this?
See, generally the salons have it, or I think it's even available online. You can ask your salon that you frequent to get you those things. I know that there's a salon in Elgin Road called Trends. That guy definitely keeps it. Yeah,
Okay.
so you can ask him. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Seema, for coming back.
Thank you.
डॉक्टर साहब आज का सेशन काफी लंबा हो गया है 1 घंटा 45 मिनट ये मेरे सारे सेशन ना ऑलमोस्ट 2-2 घंटे एक हिंदी मूवी की तरह चलते हैं दिस इज बैक टू बैक 24th and I have actually run to 24 movies imagine
When are you planning to take a break?
Yeah अब तो आदत सी है
नहीं because लोगों को एडिक्ट कर दिया है आपने तो उनको फिर विड्रॉल से निकलने का टाइम भी देना पड़ेगा ना आपको तो उससे पहले ही बता दो कब आप ब्रेक लेने वाले हो उससे
वो तो है Thank you so much for coming, Dr. Saab. You addressed almost all the issues. Yes. And
I just have one more thing to say. There are certain hair conditions which I want to show, which if you have or your family member, you can see them. Don't waste your time in trying homeopathy, Ayurvedic, blah, 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 because they need urgent medical attention. तो उसमें टाइम वेस्ट मत कीजिए और इमीडिएटली आके दिखाइए इफ यू परमिट आई वुड लाइक टू शो 2-3 पिक्चर्स
please do. We want to see it.
This is not to scare anybody, this is just to tell you what you really need to do. So I think okay, so if you see this is a condition of fungal infection in the scalp. So if you see something like this या फिर यहाँ पर ऐसे पस निकल रहा है या कुछ माउंट बन गया है if you see a lot of redness in these kind of lesions so please don't waste your time. This needs urgent medical intervention with the help of antibiotics and antifungals. तो इसमें घर के रेमेडीज में टाइम वेस्ट मत कीजिए. Again, I've shown this image already. This is scalp psoriasis. In fact, psoriasis में काम तभी ज्यादा खराब होता है जब आप उसके साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हो. तो अगर ऐसा कुछ किसी को है तो प्लीज इमीडिएटली उसको भेजिए डॉक्टर के पास. और तीसरा चीज है ये, इसको बोलते हैं एलोपेशिया एरियाटा. जनरली लोगों में देखा जाता है, अचानक से आप देखोगे कि इस तरह का एक पैच निकल के आ गया है, बहुत अलार्मिंग होता है. तो लोग इसमें पहले वो अनियन जूस घिसते हैं, फिर गार्लिक घिसते हैं, उसके बाद क्वाड्रीडर्म लगाते हैं. तो उस सब से कुछ फायदा होने नहीं वाला है, उल्टा काम खराब हो जाएगा. तो बेटर है कि आप इन 3 कंडीशंस अगर आप देखते हैं तो इट्स बेटर दैट यू प्लीज विजिट अस as soon as possible instead of doing your own home remedies. So I hope that helps and people really take into account these 3 conditions.
Excellent. Actually वो जो हम लोग की जो प्रथा चली आ रही है ना, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो दही लगा लो, फिर ये लगा लो, वो लगा लो. I think ये सब चीज का उनके पास कोई सोल्यूशन होना नहीं.
बोरोलिन को तो अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए है कि कितनी तरह से लोग उसको यूज करते हैं स्किन ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए.
आप किसकी बात कर? बोरोलिन की?
बोरोलिन नाम गरम करके ठंडा करके उसमें मिक्स करके. I mean, I've heard every story when it comes to borolin.
Excellent. So Dr. Saab, thank you so much for coming here and you did a wonderful job. You answered so many questions and you've addressed so many issues. Thank you. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you, Ravi. And thank you, friends. Thank you, Hemant.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Manoj. And thank you, all of you. Thank you for coming. And keep coming back. Tomorrow we have a great session with Baichung Bhutia. Same time, we'll talk about very, very interesting things. It will be very entertaining for you tomorrow. And just for 1 hour only. And we are calling Neeraj Surana, who's going to guide us through this host. Thank you so much.